Morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. We'll get to those trades in a second. Good morning, everybody. Stop. US 30 to the 1 hour blue line. I'll get to the actual trades in a second here. Oh, you're looking at somebody who got 6 hours of straight sleep. Pretty much a minor miracle. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Right? Today is 6/6, is that right? And I had no idea it was Thursday. For some reason, I thought today was either Tuesday or Wednesday. That was funny. I thought it was. I had no idea today was Thursday. Da da da. Da da da. Getting set up the YouTube. Give me just a second. I'll be right with you. Anybody has any questions, please ask. We're doing a live on TikTok and a live on YouTube. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh man, I'm tired, but feel pretty good. I don't know if anyone's even here. Oh, D Nice is. Good morning, D Nice. What's up, Zara? Bree's sound asleep. Absolutely. Zara, how have you been, my brother? Hope you've been good. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. I knew what you meant, Zara. Good morning, Ore, Raider Trader. Good morning, Kevin Trent, Appleton, Wisconsin. Better than work every day. Oh, Ken Rose. Well, Ken, you're about to see some greatness before your very eyes. The system called out yesterday just stunningly. When you guys understand what happened yesterday and you see the sheer volume of correct trades that was called out, it's psychotic. Da, da, da. These are all buys, by the way, and all correct are in the money. Obviously, I'm expecting a slight pullback today. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Yeah, there was literally and not figuratively, 40 trades called out yesterday. All correct, Ken. One after the other. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Crazy accurate. We're going to go over that today. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. We're going to go over a lot of things. All right, I think we're We're live on TikTok, yay. We're live on YouTube, awesome. What's up, Ori? What's up, Boost? What's up, Tailored something? What's up, Stefan? Good morning. Oh, sorry to hear about your death. My condolences, sir. What's up, Darren Roberts? Da, 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 da. All right. Your oxygen on? And then 2 buys, SGX, and we're going to go over those and why we took those and how those buy stops that kicked in yesterday that you're looking over here on the daily, how these trades right here, these trades right here were called out last Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, before the shot up on NAS SPX. I was calling that trade over and over and over again. Yay. Yeah, 48 is young, crazy. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. These are the 2 trades I have open. Well, actually, here's my last several trades. In this account, I have several accounts going. Da, da, da. This is the last 2 trades I have open. I closed a few yesterday. You saw this was like a $1,200 account when I started with. I don't know. Something like that. And now these are the 2 trades, SPX and NAS. On 6/4, these were entered in, I guess, not yesterday. $148 and $900. We'll go over exactly how we caught all those pips from 6/4. Gee whiz. Da, da, da. Let's take a look. Gee whiz. Yeah, over 400 pips. Da, 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 da. Let's take a look in a book, shall we? Reading strange. Yeah. On NAS, we caught over 400 pips. I'd say it's a pretty good day. Pretty damn good day. Pretty good day. All right. Now, where are we and where do I be? Oh, yeah. What's the coolest thing on earth? Federal government issued, United States of America, Patent and Trademark Office issued us a registered, we're not applied for, a registered trademark for the safety trace system and all of our corresponding indicators. Can't steal it, can't use it, can't try to replicate it. Bree and I will sue your asses in a court of law. It's issued to me and my wife. This is the cool shit right here. It's a class 41. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. I just think that's so fucking cool. And it covers all these different fields. Fucking amazing. Currency derivatives for generational wealth. Downloadable videos. Online journals, blogs. Training service in the field of stock market trading. Educational services. Crazy. So yeah, Be very happy about that. Morning, Julius. This is enforceable in over 80 countries. I think that number's like 200 actually. NBA is enforceable in 80 countries. Look at that. I don't know. I don't think you guys appreciate what you're looking at on that one either, but we'll see. Also, I am not a financial advisor. This warning is up here 24/7. Never pretend to be, never want to be, never will be. Oh, I'm already jumping ahead. So please understand that you can pause this at any time. Not financial advisors. No one associated with it is. Strictly a social media influencer. Have a cool store right here you can go to, buy shit. People have them. It's really nice. Remember, you're adults. Make your own decisions. All we ever trade. Up, green arrow, down, red arrow. Coolest fucking logo. You guys are going to love that logo in your lives. So please type yes if you understand that we only trade the logo, that I'm not a financial advisor, and that this is a legally protected, trademarked business. Da, 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 da. Step one, go to the 1 hour charts and see what's up. Seems reasonable to me. Da, 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 da. Good morning, everybody. Be right with you. We have weekly. Oh, yes, we do. Look at how fucking cool that is. Okay, let me see if I can reinstall. Da, da, da. Morning, guys. If you have any questions, please ask. Today is the 6th, but we're going to call it the 5th. Good morning, everybody. Just getting a few things set up for you. Da, da, da. Da, da. Da, da, da. Mm-hmm. Da, da, da. Everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody wants to be a cat. All right, let's go to our daily and we're ready to roll. Are we ready to roll? We ready to roll. But why we're missing, I'll get with Keith later on that. I mean, these are great and all, but these aren't the ones. We're missing the new. Where are my new? They're not installed. Development Hydra 2.0. Trend table. Weekly. We've got so many that we've tested. You see all this shit? You see all this? Every one of these was order of operation coded, well, made by me, coded by the great Keith Palmer. Look at them. Every one of them. This isn't even all of them. You guys see maybe 2 or 3 of these when we're finished. But all these have work done on them. All these right here are literally have to be tried and tested. And you guys say, why does it take so long? Why does it take so long to code something? It cracks me up. Me and Keith just laugh. Look at them all. And you guys see maybe 2 or 3 wondering why it takes so long. Wow. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Zira and Anthony Atwood and Raider Trader and Julius. And good morning, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good morning, Jason McCain. What's up, Jason? Morning, Darren. Morning, Stefan. All right. Da-da. I know which one it is. Hold on, let me see. Da-da. Let me see this last time. Yeah, it should be this one. We'll check on it as we go forward. All right. As it is, look what we're seeing. Let's go over this, shall we? Let's have some fun. All right. Da, 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 da. There's a whole bunch of things going on here. All right. So yesterday, and I don't know why it's not showing this. Kind of weird to me. Maybe I'm on the wrong time frame. Hold on a second. Maybe that's it. I forgot it has to work its way from up. Still nothing. Well, isn't that the weirdest fucking thing? Well, hold on. If we're going to do that, then let's go back over to here. Look at how fucking amazing this system is. See all those red and orange lines? Those are sells. All right. See, between here and here, this is the first call out yesterday. It's interesting that it's not seeing that. Let me see. Maybe there was 17 in here. I don't know. It doesn't look like it to me. No, there's no way. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay. All right, I'm going to go over this. I'm going to go over some call outs. So let's take a look. This is da, 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 Look at how fucking cool this is. See, we're definitely getting the hourly reads. Look at how fucking cool this is. SPX. See all these oranges and reds? Perfection. Perfection. This is your sell. And look at your buys. I mean, I don't understand if it can get any better. I don't know how. Look. First time's always the best. Can't have a buy against the broken Bach. Look right here. You can only have buys when the Bach is green. You can't have buys when the Bach is red. Go to your 1 hour charts. Very first time it happened was here. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be looking at. This is the very first time it happened. The signals went out yesterday right here. This is the 1 hour chart of SPX, blue line high. Pink line low. Boom. Starts to curve up. Minute 1, 30 seconds, minute 3, and so on. I don't know why it's missing a few. We'll get into that later. Daily, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute being called out buys on the daily. We'll go over that in a second. The hourly isn't showing anything yet. This will soon to flip to green. Right here. Hold on. I don't think you can see that on TikTok. Somewhere maybe around there. When I go over the signal service, this isn't for quote unquote my benefit. I'm showing you how to trade. So watch. These signals right here. And yesterday when these signals were called out for these right here, which are in your Discord rooms, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 got all these signals except for the blues. You got all the greens. And this is how it was called out. And let me be clear on this. So when we get to it, look at your buys for SPX. You don't see the same thing for NAS yet. You don't see the same thing for US 30 yet. But you will. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. How are these called and so accurately? We have rules. Every day I go over the same thing. Every day I get an email or a message saying, I don't know how to use the sniper. But yet, if you have your rules and you go to step 1, step 2, it tells you exactly what to do. Go to the 1 hour. Sniper, blue line high, pink low. The very first time, this is literally said to someone that this person didn't know the very first time this happens is the best trade. No, I feel bad for people, and I try to help each and every one of you. But if you had your training, and everyone gets their training, I've told you this. There is no excuses to not know the very first time a safe to trade happens is the best. None. You're literally telling on yourself and saying literally that I'm clueless, I'm lazy, I haven't even read the rules. And this person wrote another person saying they didn't understand that the first time this happens is the best. That's on them. That's on you. Again, don't buy the system if you can't follow simple rules. How's that for a sales job? Good morning, Larry Cooper. Verify we have the logo. And then from there, you can go to the 15-minute or the 4-hour and up, looking for what you need to see, and I'll show you what that is. Here it is. 1 hour chart. All these things you see right here have made my system 100% the easiest system to use ever. And these are all free upgrades. You'll be getting everything you see. If you're in tier 3, you'll be getting them on your computer July 14th, Sunday. Huge free upgrade. No name indicator. Yeah, I don't have a name for it yet. Freedom indicator, maybe. I don't know. Let me show you how to use it and how to trade. Look, this is yesterday, so let's close this off so no one gets confused. We're only going to look at yesterday. Okay? So this is yesterday. Da, 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 I forgot. Let's do this too. Let me see which one I like better. Yeah, I like that one better. All right. So you can't see ahead, right? This is yesterday. You can clearly, these are 1 hour charts. You can clearly see blue line high, pink line was low. It turned to come up. When it turned to come up, it fired off a 1 minute SPX buy stop. Then it fired off all these other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We'll go with 4. Okay, so this is SPX. Let's take a look at something. We're going to do a replay. Na, 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 na. Okay. We're going to see exactly. I'm going to check something first because I don't know if if it's going to pull these out automatically or not. And of course it's not. No. So I'm going to have to do this manually. So when you see this first white line right here, I have to do 4 trades before the second white line. So let's see what that looks like. Hold on 1 second. Let me do this again. Make sure. Yes. And then the third white line will be where I stop at. So we're going to do our playback. We're going to do our playback. When it hits this first white line, I'm going to put in one order randomly. You're going to notice that it doesn't matter. Does it hook? Does it make a half moon? I'm going to randomly place in orders where the signals were sent out. Morning, Johan. Okay. Between here and here, there was 4 orders. I'm going to go ahead and go manual to the first line right here. I'm going to put a buy in randomly. And then we're going to go ahead and hit playback. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Remember, I'm going to drop in 4 before here. This is your money. We're going to play that back. We're going to open up buys the whole time. Okay. And that is your money coming back. And that's all you need to see. This is just random. I can do single purchases on this. So let's try that. We'll go back to here. We'll make these instead of 100. We'll do a single. I think these are ticks. Not really sure. Good morning, Rapid Empowerment International. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to put in 4 orders once this hits. Okay. We're going to do single. 1, 2, 4. And there's your money. If you're using a single tick, and there it is. Point being is, with the signal service, you no longer have to worry about anything to do with entrances. You can literally, when you take the signal, well, you should only take the first 1 signal on the fast time period, but you take the first 3 on the higher time periods. The easier to take 3. This, when they come out, you take the first 1, and you're done. You open up your trades, you'll be finished. So when you see these, when they first come out, back here was first. This is the second time. First, right here, blue high, pink low. You can take the first 3 signals here and the first signal here, and they're going to win. By the way, they did the exact same thing for NAS. And US 30 Daily buy stop US 30, 15-minute buy stop US 30, 30-minute buy stop US 30, 1 hour buy stop US 30. 15-second sell stop US 30, 30-second sell stop US 30 to the 1-minute blue line US 30. But I would play the higher time frames again, like I told you yesterday, and you'll see it go where it's going to go. We're focusing in on SPX right now, showing you exactly where, see, pop, 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 any one of them. Matter of fact, there was 17 on NAS, and there was 12 on SPX yesterday, for a total of 39 different signals went off, all of which, listen to what I'm telling you, every last one of these signals between SPX and NAS yesterday was 100% accurate. There wasn't one missed signal called. They were in your signal rooms, in the Discord rooms. And yes, we're aware that there's repeating signals. But Keith will fix that hopefully over the weekend. Maybe. Keith is busy. We'll see. Good morning, it's my time. Johan Soaz, thanks for being on both TikTok and YouTube. I think there's a little scroll now asking you guys to go to TikTok. Hopefully I don't have to threaten you later today. All right. So the first thing we do in the morning is open up our rules, read them. Well, first thing we do is let's go ahead and a typical day of Kev. Let's go over here. This is exactly how I haven't done this in forever. How I trade. I get up in the morning, thank God, do my Wim Hof breathing, which I didn't do this morning, but I will afterwards. I look at the H&H scanner, which I just did multiple times with you. I look at the rules. I read them over and over again every day. I go to the charts and I go to the 1 hour and see if there's a logo I can find. This is the logo I'm talking about. Green up or red down. Let's go to the 1 hour and look. And that's what pisses me off. Some people, oh, you get too short with us when we ask questions. When you ask questions that are answered in the rules that you're supposed to have read 50 times a week for 4 weeks, you should have read this for 200 times, and you ask me, well, why doesn't the 1 minute and 3 minute and the 30-second, why am I losing money when I'm trading the 30-second trades? And you wonder why I laugh at you. Because you're supposed to go to the 1 hour charts. Sevens if you all understand it. Scalp sells, gold going down. Great, Mr. C. I'll listen to Mr. C. If he's saying gold's going down. Gold sells, scalps, 15 seconds. I haven't even looked at gold. I trust Mr. C that much. What's up, Tony Plesh? So you go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, well, what do we do there? Exactly what the rules say. And because I think some of you, or a lot of you, missed this out. When it is a green box, which is nothing more than a separation for your sniper, these lines. But that's okay, no big deal. This green box means you can only have a buy logo. And see, it's green, so the only logo color we can have is green. See this? And that's our logo. Again, our logo, green up, red down. Well, let's go. The box is green on the 1 hour. So the only kind of possible trades we could be looking for are buys. It doesn't mean the 15-second isn't a sell. It doesn't mean the 30-second isn't a sell. It doesn't mean TikTok is so full of shit. I own the fucking brand. What the fuck is wrong with these fucking people? It's not original content. I own the fucking system. God dang. Oh, Lord. So, good morning, Veg Food Love or Gar Network. Nah, not now. I'm in the middle of something. I'll do it later. What's up, John Francesco? So, first thing you do, thank God. Second thing you do is do all your physical stuff. Third thing you do, you look at your H&H scanner, this thing. Fourth thing you do, look at the rules, what we're doing now. Fifth thing you do is you go to the 1 hour looking for the logo. Gee, I didn't know I was supposed to go to the 1 hour chart. Whatever. So this is our logo. Starts underneath, comes up, arches, comes back down. What do you know? It actually looks exactly like our sniper. Starts below, comes up, pink line comes down. You see it? That's our logo. What do you know? It's green because it only can be green when the blue line is high and the pink line is low. This is a buy stop. It can only be green because the sniper is green on the 1 hour. It's as simple as that. Yes, if you understand how to find a logo on the 1 hour and what you're looking for. So let's go back over to, this is the first time it happened. Let's go over here to today. I don't care if this thing drops 3,000 pips today. It doesn't fucking matter. On the 1 hour where you're supposed to be trading, all you're looking for is buy stops. That's it. There's nothing else. Period. It doesn't mean there won't be sell stops. That's not what I'm saying. On the 1 hour, this is all you can see. We can go down to 15-second and see what's going on down in the micro level. But this is it. Henceforth, what's being called out by the system over and over and over again on SPX is buy, buy, buy. It's not calling that for the 30, 1 minute, and 3 minute. It's only calling it for these time frames. Clear? You have to let this purple come down further. Once this purple comes down, joins the pink, then look for your buys to engage, is my opinion. Thank you, D-Nice, for saying yes. No one on YouTube's following me. I guess I'll close down YouTube. I'm asking, do you all understand? Did you go to the 1 hour first? You don't go to the 8 fucking charts open at once, 6 fucking charts open at once, 10 charts. You open up fucking 1 hour and you look at it. What do you look for? Is the box green? You can only have buys. Is the logo formed? You can only have buys. Is the blue line high and the pink line low? You can only be looked. So I've already increased your odds of winning 50% because you can't have a sell on this 1 hour. I'm not saying it can't happen on the lower time frames, the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute. I'm telling you it's not going to happen on the 1 hour. You can't call it. And get a tattoo, right, Mr. C? I don't even have a tattoo yet. Got it, crystal clear, got it. Oh, okay. So you guys are up. Good morning, Bradley. That's it. Hey, what's up, Ken? I'm so glad you're here, Ken. That's it. Now, Ken, this is what we're going to be going over with, and I call you. Keith is still touching it up, so we're not ready yet. But when these are called out, Ken, the first time, back here were the first time. See this? The first time was back here. These were first called out. It didn't matter when you get in or out. It's just right. It did it 17 times on NAS, 12 times on SPX yesterday. That was, actually it was, yeah, no, that wasn't right. It was 39 total. So it was 40 times between NAS and SPX. All 40 of them were correct. Period. All of them. That's it. Well, then why do we do it? You don't have to do anything else. Wait for the signals. First time it happens is right here. And by the way, here's your D1. See how it's counting those? So watch. This D1 is your machine gun signal. This is the first time it happened. If it was a D2, that'd be the second time. So this is H1. This will soon be H2 when this arches up right here later today. Let the purple come down first, then it'll arch. But yeah, when this arches up later today, probably anywhere between now and I would say at the latest 10:30. Doesn't mean it won't dip before then. Matter of fact, I called for a dip before then. It just means that when the movement comes, and you'll know it, because they always do 15-minute, 1-hour moves, goes up every day, or it goes down. That's all. They'll make the move. So all we're expecting today, as clear as I possibly can say, on the hourly chart, not the fucking 15-second chart. If the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute calls for a sell, you do the sell. But right now, we're looking for our overall, what's going to happen today. I'm only expecting the buy on SPX. I'm not saying, because I know someone's going to come back later, this fucking jackass yesterday. Blah, 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 blah. You said 15-minute sells. I said 15 fucking minute sells last Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday when you guys ate up. Now US 30 again. I'd have to go over here to look. Is the 15-second a sell? It is. Is the 30-second a sell? It is. Is it going to its blue line? We're not doing that right now. Can I be clear? Is it going to its 1 minute blue line? Yes. 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the blue line of US 30. There it is. But you said SPX. These are living, breathing creatures for all intents and purposes. This is living. Everything is alive. You're looking at a breathing system. You're looking at, so when I call out something for 15-second or 30-second, Jesus, you know how fast that moves? But you said, fuck out of here. Oh, but the signal said, they're right here what the signal said, non-changing. Non-repainting is what they call it in the business. And there they are. And there they were yesterday, and here they are today. That's SPX. First time these are called out, which was yesterday, they always work, period. Thank you, Ken. Once this hourly switches to green, we'll be looking for 30-second, 1 minute, and 3 minute buys. It'll call them out like it did yesterday. So this is SPX. So we go to the 1 hour. Now we happen to have a cheat advantage. We have this little thing. So we have what's called NAS and SPX move together. And yep, here's the first time it happened for the exact time, by the way. The very first time this happened for NAS, right? And then at the same time on SPX it happened. This is what we're looking at right here. NAS, there, SPX, there. NAS, there, SPX, there. So when we have these two combined, it's perfection. And if we go, look, we go here on the hourly, the very first time it happened for US 30, right? Well, we have to wait for the purple to come down technically. Would have been right here on June the 4th, right? And then we go over to SPX, June the 5th. And if we go over to NAS, June the 5th. So SPX and NAS were following US 30. And that's all it is. One gives us the heads up to the blue line. Buy stop to the blue line, US 30. You can clearly see this is US 30, blue line high, pink line low. Our logo is formed over and over again. It's only a green box. Started below, came up, retested once, literally formed a fucking W, retested here yesterday. And that's our little thing. Why is this a buy only? The Bach is green. Blue line high, pink line low. Period. It's going to the blue line of the 1 hour. How does it look on our signal, H&H scanner? Look. Everything else is green. This is red. And let it go down. And you can play these downs. It's a 30-second down. You can look for a 30-second down. You can see NAS. You can say 15-second, 30-second sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, US 30, NAS, and SPX if you want to play those. Or you can wait 15-minute buy stop, US 30, NAS, and SPX to the 15-minute blue line of US 30. 30-minute buy, all three. 1 hour buy, all three, until these turn green again. I'm not saying they won't turn red. I'm just saying the system will tell you when it's time to do that. And the time isn't now. It is for your 30 seconds. It's not for your 1 hours. It is for your 30 seconds, sells. It's not for the 15 minutes. See, there's your 1 minute. You see it flip right before your very eyes by the system. I called this movement last night for you. I was preferring NAS and SPX to be the ones to hit down there. But oh well, it is what it is. 15-second, look for any 15-second, 30-second sell stop to NAS and SPX 30-second lot. But you're calling out buy stops. Yeah. Yes, I am. Wow. Hopefully some of this is getting through to you guys, hopefully. It's that easy. We even have a little graph to tell us what is most of the graph. Oh, it's green. Except for here. Except for here. Except for here. Oh, well, these are microscopic. These are on your macro level. These are micro level. These form your buy stops. When it goes down on the 30-second, it forms the 15-minute buy. Oh, never mind. I'll stick with little colors. So this is it. That's all you have to know. And amazingly enough, Ken, you only see buys here, and then buys here. What you don't see, let's go over here so you can see it clearer, are any reds. So these are all green. So the system on the 1 hour trades better than 99% of all traders in the world, let alone people who have my system. Now watch. When it was going down, look, the only colors that you see, and early warning, by the way, here, on a down are red in orange. So it's red, orange. These are the fast ones. You don't have this yet. You'll be getting it free July 14th. Look, all red, all down. Look, when it's appropriate, all green and up. How do you look? Red, down. These are automatically generated signals. These signals follow the rules that I have just gone over with you here. Step 1 and step 2 flawlessly. You can have these scanners, Ken. Everyone can have these scanners on their these indicators on their charts. July 14th. Look, all correct, all correct, all correct. When it flips, all buys. All sells, all buys. It doesn't just do it on SPX. It doesn't just do it on NAS. It doesn't just do it on oil. It does it on 1,000 different symbols correctly. All sells, buys. Sells, notice there's nothing lost in translation, by the way. Notice that. There's no missed calls. Look at this. Let me make this a little clearer for you. There's no missed calls between the transition, which you guys would call consolidation, which is just it moving over on the daily at this point off the 1 hour. There is no missed calls. Look, this whole area in here, not one wrong call. Let that sink in. The system automatically calls out through the signal service if you want it, through the rules if you follow them. No missed calls. All the downs were correct. All the ups were correct. All the downs were correct. All the ups were correct. None of that fucking funny business right here. None of it. Look at it. Is that not? Wow. We are so blessed to be having this gift from God, is all I can tell you. Crazy accurate. Crazy accuracy. I had a person say, you draw those lines on there. Okay. And then how fast can I draw these SPX lines on there? Look at the early warning one right here. Minute 3 is correct. All that money you'd have made. Sells, buys. And I can draw them like this too. Look, sells US 30, buys US 30 to the blue line. That simple, that easy, that correct. Period. There she blows. Gold. Let's call out gold now. One hour. Buy stop. So what Mr. C is playing, he's playing all the sells right here. So just see, this is what you guys got to understand. This on the hourly, blue line high, pink line low, buy stop, gold, 1 hour. But it hasn't started to hook yet to come up, so it's not going to register on our system. Let me move that out of the way anyways. So it's not there yet, but it will be. So what he's playing are these sells. So this coming down is what he's playing. Well, how do we see that? Well, I don't know. Gee whiz. We have rules. Let's go to the 15-second chart and see what those rules say. It would have been back here by now. Go for 1 minute. See, there it is. There's your sell stop to the blue line. Perfection. Wow. Look at that shit. Perfection. Okay. So this is this little movement down right here. We have sell stop to the blue line, sell stop to the blue line. That's what he's playing. Mr. C is playing on positive. He hasn't told us that, but I know he knows the system. And there it is. So this down movement, right? Watch. This down movement from here to here is the 1 hour movement down forming our line. Watch. Let's go over to 1 hour. Let's go over to here. Watch. See? Oh, we could even grab that earlier, it looks like, too. So here's your 1 hour. It's coming down. Here's your 1 hour, 1 minute. And there's your sell stops. Now, it looks like we have an even earlier one, too. We can go back to here. And then, no, that's the one you catch right here. And that would be caught. And that's it. Good morning, Jay Parker. Thank you, Julius. Good morning, Julius. Thank you for saying nice words. Thank you, God. Thank you, Bree and Kev, for this amazing system. People get this. I agree with that. Yep. You got it. Been doing it since pre-London, waiting for the 1 hour buy stop. Correct, Mr. C. See? Mr. C gets it. I know. Oh, there we go. I know he does, because every freaking morning, I got this. I got that. All right. Congratulations, Mr. C. All you have to do is play gold. All you need is a sniper to play gold. You don't even have to have the signal service. You can clearly see blue line high, blah, blah, blah. You come over here, you can clearly see these are your sell stops going down to the blue line. This is the most gorgeous one of them all. All three are high on the sniper. And if we go from here, from the 1 minute down, you'll see it probably is 1 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, probably. I guess you can look if you want. Yeah, 1 minute, 3 minute. Here's your 3 minute sell stop right here. So this is a blue line low. If you go to the 1 minute, you'll see the blue line. All three had arched up. First time it happens, going to the blue line. He made 2,363, $5 an ounce on gold. Perfect call. And that's that. That easy. That easy. All right, I got to keep an eye on TikTok so they don't smash us out of here. Mr. C, easy money. Thank you, Mr. C, and thank you for being here and sharing your experience with the system. All right, so let's take a look then. Gold, right? This is what we're looking at. Waiting for a buy stop to form. Gold. 15-second buy. Gold. One minute sell. Back to the blue line. Love the trade. Hopefully it arches up, ricochets, and comes back down. I'm a little concerned this wasn't the first ricochet here. If it's not gold, sell stop. We'll just place it between the blue line and here. 2,360.368, sell, gold. Back to the blue line, 1 minute. Forming a 10 minute. Forming a 15. Forming a 15 minute. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop, gold. 2 hour. 3 hour. 4 hour. Forming a 12 hour. 12 hour daily buy stop, gold. It's a daily. It's a daily. This is going to dip maybe a little further now. I don't know. That's interesting. Weekly. Are we close enough on the line? I think I would rather you wait, do the sells until you see this pink. I just did this the other day. What symbol was that when I was talking about it? It was like NAS or something. I'd rather this on the daily hook come down further. Let me draw it out for you so you're specific with this. This is what I would rather do. I'm looking at a, whoopsie. I'm looking at weekly gold. I'd rather it come down like this, hook, and then come up. So I'd rather this kind of dip a little bit more before I got into gold myself. But you don't have to listen to that. The same, see that blue line right there? I'd rather have that come down a little further too. By further, I mean here instead of here. By further, I mean here instead of here. I hope I'm clear. It kind of looks like it's going to hook and come up though. Fuck. All right, then that's why the 12 hour. Buy stop gold, you can put it right where it's at, 2,365.072. Buy stop gold, 12 hour daily. I prefer if we can go a little lower for the daily weekly buy, but you know, on these higher time frames, you don't always get what you want. You just get what it is. Look at this fucking perfection. Look at this shit. So let's take a look. Let's go. Let's do a deep dive into gold. So that's gold. Called it out in detail for you. There's no way you can fuck it up. Well, there is, but hopefully you don't. All right, gold. This is daily. Let me go to gold at 1 hour. Hold on. I like gold daily trades. They're just so superior. Look at this shit. All you can have right here are sells. Fucking insanity on the hourly. That is insane what you're seeing. See, look at, see the hourly on gold is a little less. There's one right here. You can see this buy right here. It's just messier. So if you go up to the 2 hour on gold, much cleaner. Much, much cleaner. So I'm choosing to look right here. We're going to go to our daily. You can pick any time frame. I'm just going to use daily because it's easy to see. All right. So look right here. We're going to, it'll start calling out a daily call right when it turns up, right? The first time it does it. So right here, when this is daily gold, blue line high, pink line low on the sniper. For the love of God, buy the sniper. Okay. You can clearly see the BOK, the BOK indicator, both green lines are right here. It's green. The buy stop, the buy overriding machine gun order is here. So this is where you start seeing the buys to be called out 1, 2, 3, and they're all correct. And this is then when the pink line gets to the top, you don't take the trades anymore, and you're done. Then it reloads down here again, and then it comes up again. See when the twist comes, buy, up she goes. It's not going to miss. Some of you are so mistaken. You don't understand what you're seeing before your very eyes. It's so weird to me that some of you can't see this. Watch. This right here, as soon as that pink line starts to arch up, there's your buy stops. 1, 2, 3 if you want. So if we pull our playback select bar here, we go to here. We're doing a live playback. Well, maybe we're not. I swear. There we go. From here, we'll try that again and see if TradingView works. All right. So right here, we're going to manually move it forward. Okay, so right here, it should start to form. Shit, it didn't. See, it doesn't show this. I don't know why. Some signals it shows, some signals it doesn't. So we'll just go back here. I'll do a buy when it hits that line, the white line right here. That'll be the first time. So we're going to do a buy. Okay, and this is gold. This is your in right here. There is a signal there. Watch what happens. We're not even going to do any others. We're just going to play it back. And watch gold. And there you go. There's another. Shit. I could put a second one in, my bad. There it goes. And that's all you do. Take your money. Just form me another one right there. Take your money and get out. It's that easy. The rules are the rules. When it forms. Yeah, 100%. Yay. All right. When it forms, which it is now, you'll see another buy stop later today. I would say that's probably going to be today. I'm not saying it's not going to go down more. I'm telling you it's going to be a buy stop later today. Matter of factly, here it's forming on the 1 hour as you speak. We need to have, if it's going to do what we want, we need this pink line to come down against the blue. So let's draw that for you. We need this thing to hook down like this. Let me make it looking a little thick. We need it to come down like this. Hook, right? And then it'll start to come back up. And on the blue front, this line will stay across like this. And that's what you'll see happen over the next several hours. You'll see the blue up high. You'll see the pink down low, and then that'll be time for your buy. Doesn't mean you can't get in now. It just means I'd like to see this pull back again, have our pink line come down again, and then get into your buy. Again, that's me. I like to follow the rules. The signal service follows the rules, and I'm asking you guys to follow the rules. Just wait, be patient. As my wife says, my loving wife says, love language of trading is patience. The attachment style is the safety trade. The language is still hasn't given us a warning. I guess I'll pull my chair over. Oh, hold on. Sun's out. Sun's out. Yay. All right. All right. Everybody understand what I'm looking for on gold? Yes or no? You don't need 3 million charts open. You need 1, maybe 2. I like to do 2 because I like to see what the smaller time frames are doing. Yes or no? If everyone sees this, yes or no, please. So I've done NAS, SPX, and US 30 ad nauseum. Oh, did it ricochet and come back down? Let me see. Kind of like my drawings. I did pretty good with those drawings, didn't I? Usually I suck. All right, let's go down to 1 minute. Now it's a buy on. It's a buy SPX in there. There's nothing I can do. Under. Way the fuck under. All right, let me see gold again. Oh, it did go. Gold did go down. Whoa. What? Is no one paying attention? I think I bored you all to sleep. That 1 minute sell I called out towards the blue line, 1 minute that I was hoping was going to happen, happened. You guys could have got in right here at 23.61. You could have made $2 an ounce on that trade. Wow. No one took that? Whatever. I guess I'll keep mumbling to myself. Oh. Nice. I'm just looking at something. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Great morning to you. Thanks for being on both. If you guys see the little scroll, do you see the little scroll on YouTube? I think you do. If you guys can head over from YouTube to TikTok, that would be great. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. What do you know? Please go to TikTok, The Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego. YouTube channel, The Safety Trade. More information or to buy, thesafetytrade.com. I got sick of writing it out and I forgot we had that thing. Sell back down to the 1 minute blue line, US 30. Gold. Sorry, gold. So we called out gold, US 30, NAS, and SPX. Let's take a look at oil. Oil, buy to the 30-second blue line. Sell. Oh, it already hit it. Fuck. It already was a 3 minute sell to the blue line. That was perfection. Let's go to the 1 hour. 5 minutes sell. I like these sells. Short-term sell oil, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute sell on oil until it goes back down to the 3 minute blue line. And I think it's going to fill in the gap on the 5 minute sell. That's what I think. 10 minute. forming a 15-minute, 30, 1 hour, forming a 10-minute, 1 hour buy, forming a, look at this shit, 1 hour, look at that. Oil was a sell, bing, 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 called that one correctly. 2 hour, 1 hour, 3 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's going to go up to the 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Daily. Look at the daily sell. Look at this. Look at that call. Look at that daily fucking call. See your blue line high, blue line low. This is sell. Pink line high. First time I did it. First time I did it was here, and then here. You can clearly see the correct sells on the daily. Wow. Fucking cool as shit, bro. Obviously, the counter is not working correctly on the daily. Well, it might not have reset itself, but it's definitely not the second time. It's the second time. It's already done what it's going to do. Now it has to reload. Henceforth, yeah, they're going to dip back down again like it's doing right here. Yeah. I like it. I like it like that. Da, 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 da. It's going to hook, come over here, and come back up on the hourly. Buy, wait for it. It's got to come down first. Let this. Didn't I just draw this out on gold? I swear to God, I do. I should keep these drawings up. Yep, I did. Blue line's going to shoot across. If we get what we want, and we're going to be patient, pink line's going to hook down further like this, come back up. You'll see price over here, come over, hook, come back up, do its thing. The problem we have is this is red, and we're not going to get that huge push up. So I think you're going to see more of a sell on oil. Can't have this buy with this Bach like that. So we're going to have to wait for this Bach to flip to green on the 1 hour. But if you go down to the smaller time frames, you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Now the buys started here, 1, 2, so right. So these should have all been buys. That's why there's that transition right there. 10-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute. See, it's not much of a movement. I can't help it, but it did go down and touch that again. Now it's hooking back up again. So that's all. There's your 15-second, 30-second. Can we get to the 1 minute? Let's see. Already there. 3-minute. Yeah. Now, if you're going to enter this buy on oil, I should have entered it actually off the red line right here, but you can still wait and do it here. 15-minute, 30-minute. See your first times. 1 hour. Now it's going to be, see your transition. See, these are your sells. First sells right here. Right here. Pop, 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 pop. Pops. This is the third time. And then this is the transition over. And then you come over here again, and then you're going to see some buys form. That's oil. Let me see if I can see. Oh, ERUSD. Yeah, let's do ERUSD. ERUSD is the opposite of UDSHEF. ERUSD is the opposite of UDSHEF. So let's take a look. We're going to call out EURUSD. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sure looks like to me it's trying to call some buys. Oh, it already was. I see. And by the way, A, if it's calling for a sell here, it must have been going down. B, we don't play sells on a buy. So you'd have to look inside of here on the higher time frame. This is a very good learning example. Okay, let's go over here. If you see, if this is calling for 1 minute sells and it's a neutral, that's one thing. But if this is a daily buy, you can't take any sells inside of it. So if there's a sell signal, you ignore it or you don't take it. These aren't inside of it. These are 1 minute. So this is actually for the hourly, and there is no hourly call. Does that make sense? So we're on the hour. See, to me, if you look at this, this to me looks too messy. So this is EUR USD, and see how the blue line isn't flat and it's coming over here. It's just a fucking mess. Don't like it at all. So I'm going to go here. That's much clearer. 2 hour comes down, hooks up. Okay, whatever. EUR USD. 3 hour, gorgeous. Let's see what the 4 hour was. Yeah, 4 hours picture perfect first time right here. You call it from here, and that's why it's calling that. We can go back to, yeah. So the 4 hour on EUR USD is just picture perfect, gorgeous. Let's take a look at what we're seeing here. Price starts under hooks, comes back. Okay, I see the correct calls right there. Price, look at it, started low, comes up. Yeah. Sniper hook down right here. So if we place our line over here, right, well, actually, right where it starts to turn up, which is right here. From that moment forward, you play your buy stops, which is where the logo is formed. See it? And there it goes. It hooks, comes up. The first time's the best. There's your 30 seconds, and that's EUR USD. Gorgeous. This is how you spot trades. This is how you look for trades. You don't have 6, 8, 10, 12. Who do we appreciate? You don't have 30 charts open. You have one chart open. You go to the 1 hour. If it doesn't look clear, you either go up or down. I always like looking up. It's just easier to see. See right here, we're looking for buys now. This is the 4 hour EUR USD, blue line high. Let's be clear. Pink line low. And now we're going to look for buys on EUR USD to fill this gap in. Buy. Buy stop. EUR USD. You can put a buy here at 1.08768. Trail it down as it goes down. I want it to come back down to 1.08673 or below. Then I would put a buy stop in. Buy EUR USD off the 4 hour lines. Now, what's it doing on the microscopic level to form these buys on the 4 hours? It's going to be going down. So let's go down to the 15 seconds and see what we see. I'm sure we're going to see sell stops. G, what do you know? Look, there's a sell on the 15 second. Red, 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 green, high blue. It's going to be off of probably a 1 minute. 30 second sell. See it? This is a 30 second sell inside of here. See, so instead of calling out all these trades fast, I'm giving you time. I'm giving you explanations, teaching you how to look for the trades. Let's see. Is TikTok not? My TikTok's leaving me alone now that they fucking banned me. No, they didn't ban me. It's just a short thing. See that right there? All right, and that's the 1 minute. 3 minute. Oh, beautiful to the 3 minute blue line. Gorgeous ricochet. Once, twice, 3 times. Gorgeous sell. 3 minute to the blue line. Let's see. 5 minute. Yeah. I would play any EUR USD 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stops to the 5 minute blue line of EUR USD to the 5 minute blue line. Then, after that is complete, I would then look for and wait patiently for a 2 hour, a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, EUR USD, and that's how I play it. daily 5-minute has been called. Okay, I agree with that. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and see what we shall see. Yeah, that's a little. See, this is a 5-minute buy inside of that 5-minute sell. I'd be a little leery of that. But again, that's why we wait. You're waiting patiently. Now, if you want to do market orders, then you have to follow the exact rules for the market orders. And that would be the very first time. And you put in your little order right there and you wait. None of you are patient enough to wait. Here's a 30-minute. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah, correct. There's a 30-minute. See, the 5-minute is not, you have to go to where the actual trade is. This is a 15-minute, 30-minute, and so on. Buy. That is correct. I just called that 1 hour. I'm just seeing things a little ahead of time than what it's seeing. That's all. So in other words, if we were going to have this set up on the daily, right, for it to read it, you'd go to the daily. The daily isn't showing it. The daily is showing a 30-minute, 1 hour buy. So that's how you'll just have, basic common sense rules. If you're looking for the daily trade, you don't set it up on the weekly. You don't set it up on, you set it up on the daily. If you're looking for hourly trades, you'll have the chart open to hourly. That's all. And there is, quote unquote, none at this time. There you go. So that is EUR, USD, and UDSHF is the opposite. Anybody have any questions, concerns, comments? I don't know if there's any news today. Don't really care. They'll probably have news tomorrow on Fridays. They like having news days like NFP or something. Any questions, concerns, happy comments, learning comments? Anyone at all, feel free to speak up now. We have plenty of time. Next up, we're going to go to GBP JPY. I'll explain that thoroughly. And then we'll even look at Bitcoin, which I never do for you guys anymore because I called it out over a fucking year ago. GBP JPY 1 hour. Well, we can see that those were buys. Nope, buy. It never goes down. Okay, that's not true. GBP JPY does go down, but over a monthly period, it never goes down. It's better than Bitcoin. That's all I can tell you. 1, blue line high. 2, the pink line isn't low. So now for this to become a buy again, we have to wait. What do we wait for? This little line to hook down like this, and then it to come back up like that. That's what we're going to wait for. Then what do? This blue line, if it stays flat, then we would take buy stops along the way. So not only am I telling you what it's going to do, I'm drawing out ahead of time what it's going to do. This is the hourly chart. We're looking at GY, GBP, JPY. Oh, he doesn't say the full, or he doesn't say the GJ, and he doesn't say EU, and he doesn't say SPY. He doesn't say, he doesn't say, because when I started to learn to trade 10 years ago, or whatever fucking long it's been, when I started to learn to trade, I didn't know what GJ and GY and GU and I didn't know what any of that meant. So out of respect for all the beginners out there, I always say the whole name 90% of the time, GBP, JPY. So they know what we're looking at. This is the hourly. I'm telling you what's going to happen and how this is going to play out. Someone can go back. I forgot who the putz ass was yesterday that was nitpicking some trade. Oh, I think I do remember his name, but whatever. So this is what it's going to do. If it doesn't do this, who the fuck cares? Follow your rules on the other ones. I'm just trying to give you guys a little heads up here on what's going to happen on the 1 hour. We have a 1 hour buy. Hold on, is that being called? Yeah, I don't see why it's older. that should be getting taken away. So this is the tweaks that we're going to be tweaking between now and July 14th. So to read this better, Keith has to code this in. So then when it gets up to that 90, 92 or whatever we have it at, it stops reading this as a buy. It has to reset. But it did it once right here. Did it again here. And then we'll see where it's going to go. So this is my 1 hour. Knowing that then we can move up. I always like going up. I'm teaching you how I read the charts. 3, 4, 12-hour buy. It was a 12-hour daily, 12-hour. It was a 4-hour. It is a 4-hour daily buy. It's always a buy. I don't even know why I look at this. Maybe we can go down and find some sells in the micro level here. This is crazy. 15 second. Yeah. It's so wild to me. You don't believe me? Go over to the monthly. Go over to the monthly from, what year is this? 2021. 2021. How many years is this? Holy shit. 3 fucking years straight. Look at it. 3 years straight. And I called it for the last over a year now to go up from 2023 buy stop. Because it was going to its blue line back then. It's in a minute. Crazy. Straight up she goes. This would have been your perfect buy right here. First buy here, perfect buy here. It doesn't work. The indicators don't work at the monthly level. There's not enough information. They do work on the weekly. They'll call out weekly dailies for you. We have a code for that. And here's the daily. All right, so that's GBP, JPY. I mean, what the fuck am I supposed to call? Buy. That's what you guys need. That's it. Anyhow, daily buy also. It's going to go up. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Everybody's favorite, right? I've been calling Bitcoin on lives. My first monthly Bitcoin call to over 70,000 was on a live dated 3/8/23 over a year ago. I said over 70,000. When it was at 26,500. There it is. There's the call. I said it then again, not just once. I said it again every day for the next 365 days. Just saying. How many calls do you need to listen? But no one does. But we're going to go to the hourly Bitcoin and see what it looks like. Ooh, that looks good. All right, here's your hourly Bitcoin. You can clearly see the first time it happened on the hourly. Sniper blue line, this thing right here was high, pink line was low. You can see there's your call out right here on the 1 minute. You can also see our logo. The logo on the buy is this right here. Started low, came up high. Okay. This is your dip down, by the way, on the pink right here. And then that's that. Logo right here, started low, came over, touched, went up high. We're on the hourly Bitcoin. This is a fill in the gap trade, which I'm not going to get too much into, but all that indicates buy back then. And it did it. The first time, and I don't care what symbol you choose, the first time this happens on the hourly and the blue line stays high, pink goes low, and we have a signal, it'll always be right. Here's your first signal on Bitcoin. So this signal we can go back and play. We're going to select the bar from here. I don't know if it's going to show us that play though, so let's see. It does. So now we can do a buy of 1 Bitcoin, and then we'll let it play out the rest of the time on its own. There's your Bitcoin. There's your Bitcoin. There's your Bitcoin. Okay. So that's it. You could have done that, and there it is. There you go. See that? So there's your Bitcoin. That's the call out. First time is the best time. It's right here. You'll see that the pink, as it came up, price came up. So did the price come up. It's going to reset, I guess. Did it do it again? I have no idea if it did it again. Let's watch this pink come down now. Now the purple is going to join it again. The best is when they're both down low. And then there it is. There's your hook again. And there it went up again. So there you go. That's how simple the system is. If you follow the rules, you don't need the signal service. All you need is the sniper, $150 a month plus the $575 for the year for the system. And there it is. If you want the signal service, it's extra. You can pay for it or not. See H2, second time it happened. There you go, Keith. Keith Rooney, this is the second time. See that? H2 count is correct. Actually, it's forming a third right now, but whatever. Close enough. And then you'll see the 30 seconds pop up. You'll see this pop up, and that's what it does. So you can use completely without this sniper, without the signals, or you can use the sniper. I strongly wouldn't trade without the sniper. It's way more important than the bullshit detector. It's more important than everything you guys could ever think of. It's the most important indicator in the history of the world. And the sniper is nothing more than the box broken out. That's all it is. I took these two lines and made them blue and pink and stuff and broke them out. And that is your Bitcoin 1 hour. Now, if we're going to look at higher time frames, let's go take a look. What do we see on a higher time frame? Yep, forming another buy on the 3 hour. It's going to dip down a little first, so we'll see a dip because it's too high. I don't like that at all. It's too high. There's your 4 hour buy. Here it is again. 12 hour, already completed. Daily. Fill in the gap. This is a daily fill in the gap, so this had to be at least a 4 hour buy here. It was. This right here. So watch from here, you'll see, yep, there it is, the daily fill in the gap right there. And that's your daily buy. So that means there's something to do with the weekly around here also. We can go over to the weekly. Hold on. Let's go over to the weekly. Yep, there it is. Perfectly played out, perfectly called out. Buy. Daily, weekly, Bitcoin. Yet again, you're already too late. You should enter this trade a while ago, but whatever. And there's your daily. Here's a 3-week Bitcoin. Completely called out perfectly. Look at this buy stop right here. Everybody knows what that is. This is 3 weeks. We can go to monthly. This is monthly Bitcoin buy. Look at it. Just the most gorgeous thing you're ever going to see. Buy, stop, came up, went right between this little thing. Pop. This will be roughly 3.8 right here. Yep, there it is. March. There you go. So you'd have been in March. I called it March 8th to go up over there. That's Bitcoin. Here's Ethereum. Look at them. They're identical. Identical. The same movement. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Oh, the markets don't run together. The markets aren't manipulated. Well, if the markets weren't manipulated, my system wouldn't work, and it works flawlessly. There you go. So whatever I just called, by the way, I hope Larry's still in it. I called out Ethereum, and I said for Ethereum to go over 4,500, and I'm sticking by that. I would take any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, daily, weekly buy stops on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, on XRP until Ethereum reaches over 4,500. And then, of course, when it does, they'll be able, oh, well, no one could have predicted that. No one could have known that. Really? Yeah, I don't know how I've been calling that since fucking March the 8th. Whatever. One of my members has $500, $600, $700 a coin on it. I don't know how that's possible. I wish Larry was here. And there it is. This is the exact same. If you're looking, this right here, inside of that rectangle is Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. You notice these are the same. You notice this is the same. You notice price action is the same. Let's do it again. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They can't even draw things differently. By the way, these are monthly Bitcoin, monthly Ethereum, monthly Bitcoin. So what you're seeing right here, what you're seeing, right, is the exact same thing. If we go down to a 1 second, oh, here's one. Let's do NVIDIA because people, no one knew NVIDIA would go up. Really? Is that so? Let's go down and see. Inside of here, everybody knows what this is. This is a buy stop. This is a 3-week monthly buy stop. You can clearly see the green and up. You don't understand that? We can go to weekly and I can show you what it looks like down here in this level. Buy stop again. And there it is. And there she goes. The system called it out perfectly. Here's the first time on the weekly it came up high, down. By the way, this is the second time it's done it. No one could have expected gold to keep going up. We called it to keep going up. It did. No one could expect NVIDIA to keep going up. Not only did we, it's showing it. Watch. What is it showing? Blue line high, right? Pink line low. That's your buy stop. Bingo, there it goes. Buy stop, bingo, there it goes. Look, you can go inside of here. You can clearly see inside of here. Look, there it is. And by the way, side note, whenever they want to keep a sitting president in office, don't care, not getting political ever on this channel. They move the markets up 2 to 3 months before the election. Whenever they want to get rid of the sitting president, they tank the market 2 to 3 months before the election. Just saying. Keep that in the back of your mind, as I told you from January that they're going to raise this market up, and they did. And there it is. Look at it. Easiest shit on earth. Okay. So now what? Now you got these little signals called out. NVIDIA, I would play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15. You guys get the idea. Buy stop until when? Till this pink line comes up and hits this blue line on the weekly. Now, does that mean it won't go down? Of course, NVIDIA is going to have some dips. Is it going to be on the 15 second right now? Nope. Not on the 30 second right? Nope. Not on the 1 minute? Nope. 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 Now, personally, let's take a look at the 15. I always like when the 15 minute stays closed. Nope, it's going to be a fill in the gap. It's all buy stops. NVIDIA is all buy. When it switches and goes to sells, well, no. But this is not the time. All right, Amazon, just buy it. I've been recommending Amazon basically since $93 a share stock. Buy anyways. 15 minutes to the blue line. NVIDIA, XRP, buy. Been saying since 31 cents, it goes nowhere. It goes no fucking where. I mean, I pretty much doubled the money, and it did get up to like $1 something one time, but nope. I don't give two fucks. It's probably calling a sell. It is not. 15 second buy XRP. 15 second, 30 second buy stop XRP. 1 minute buy stop XRP. Forming a 10 minute. Yeah, it's a ricochet. Forming a 10 minute sell stop going down to the 15 minute blue line of XRP. Oh, go little XRP. Look at it go. Buy stop XRP to the blue line 1 hour. Love it. Let me make sure the 4 hours high. It is. Yep. Love it. Love, 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 love that trade. Yay. Go XRP. We have to fill in the gap. Yeah, sure. Ooh. Ooh, chitty, chitty, bang, bang. That's a daily sell. Not bad. I don't give two fucks. Buy stop XRP until XRP goes over $1.71. Buy stop XRP. Matter of fact, until XRP goes over to $3.45. Will it ever do that again? I don't know. All I know is what the charts show me, and I'm seeing a buy. Buy, buy, buy. Nope. It needs to go past that $1.59 or whatever. But whatever. If it doesn't do it, I'm not going to lose sleep. And they do get very manipulative when you get up into these higher time frames. They're always manipulative, but they always try to like pull some shit. How much further we got to go? We got a little bit more down here to pull down a little bit, and then it will hook, and then it's going to come back up again. XRP. Monthly buy stop XRP. Okay. We called out NVIDIA, Amazon, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, GBP, JPY, USD, Chef, EUR, USD, oil, SPX, NAS, US 30, and gold. And we still have time. Is there any news today? Does anybody know? News, NFP, CPI, FOMC. Those are the big boys. I really don't give two shits about any others, really. If there is news at 8:15 or 8:30, let me know. I just want to make money off of it. I can give two fucks less what the news is. I slept good. I got 6 hours of sleep in one night. Last week I had 6 hours of sleep in two. Like 3 hours each night. That was not good. Gee. Record highs on SPX, and yet no one knows why. Gee, really? No one knows why. Is that right? No one knows. No one knows at all. Buy stop form. Weekly, daily. All right. Anybody have any concerns, comments, happy comments? Anyone at all? If you do, speak up now. Don't be one of those little Weasley ass people that after I get off my live, we receive an email, 6 months later. We get basically one hate email every 3 to 6 months. Oh, the system doesn't work. Don't buy it. Where are the haters at now that we have the signal service? Buys went straight up. Buys went straight up. Go ahead. Where are all the haters now? Where are the haters now? Where? Yeah, go ahead. Yep. Sells straight down. Buy straight up. Where are the haters now? It even called this dip. This is incredible what you're seeing. Look at it. Oh, but we can go back on gold even further. Let's go to gold. Crazy. Crazy in love with you. Yeah. So much fun. Yeah, I'm going to start, now that we got this code all done up and it's being finished, I'll start doing some advertising for the system. And boy, everything you've seen, 1,000 members the first year, 3,000 members within the second year, subscribers on YouTube, all the hundreds and thousands, all the millions of dollars in sales generated, by the way, over $1 million in sales generated by the system. I'll leave it at that. And I mean well over $1 million in a year and a few months for the system purchases. Imagine that. Over $1 million. We are a top stand store. We are seniors ambassadors for them. Just amazing what you see. Buy again on the daily, and we're looking at gold. Yeah, it's going to take its time, but it's going to do that again. I feel very comfortable with this morning. Showed you how to use your sniper yet again for the 50 millionth fucking time. Still, I'm sure some person out there, how do you use the sniper? Oh my God. You can use the system without it, but I won't trade without it. I'm just not doing it. Here's your first buy on gold back here. $2,000. We're telling you buy gold. Look at it. Amazing grace. How sweet. Let me go over here. See what? Nope. Buy. Nothing we can do. 30-second, 1 minute. Nope. Damn, I hope there is some kind of news today. I really like some kind of pullback, like big time pullback. I mean, we need a fucking pullback. I just want this thing to drop like a rock. This is crazy. Oh, you're going to be in the. This is going to switch. Yeah, the 1 minute is now green. Yep. There you go. Look at it. I can move the blur around. Isn't that funny? All right, TikTokers, YouTubers, any questions? We're coming into the final hour and a half of our live. I'll be leaving here at about 9:35 this morning. I've been on with you since 5. We've not had any kind of warning on TikTok. Why are they letting me go without any kind of warnings? Meaning they always make me do a intervention thing. We thoroughly went over all these different symbols. If there's a symbol I think somebody wanted me to look at, ask now. I can look at a symbol for you now. I will gladly look at a symbol for you now. If you don't, fine by me. Give a fuck less. The safety trade. All these cute little things you see over here. The neon signs made by Blue Tide Acrylics Jacob. Great guy. Down below that, you're going to see the little fiery thing, and my daughters make those things for me. Look at that. Little Spider-Man head. The little pink, cute little thing. My mom's little angel. She used to love that. Oh, Mom. Miss Mom. There you go. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Speak up now. Feel free. Don't forget, you guys are, whoever is in the signal group right now. If you're tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 1 and tier 2, you'll be getting all these upgrades that you see right here sent to the signal room, including the over number of signals you're getting. That'll be corrected also by 7/14. And then all that you see on my chart here, the H ones, which you don't have, the D ones, which you probably don't have, these are all free upgrades from Bree and I, not charging you a penny. For tier 3 signal members, they'll be implemented on 7/14. That's these things over here. Now I'm going to show you how those work, and then we'll get back to actually doing the live trading. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Jay Parker. Jay Parker, correct. There's some Canadians. Thank you, Jay, about the news. Unemployment claims only. Thank you, Raider Trader. NFP's tomorrow. I thought so. I thought NFP was tomorrow. Yeah, NFP is going to be some money, boy. We are going to make money on NFP tomorrow. You guys want to have some fun? Tune in around 8:15 to 8:45 tomorrow. You guys are going to have some fucking fun that time. We'll do some live trades with you, too. Nice. Can't wait for that. Oh, Larry, there you are, Larry. So sales are coming. Up 600 pips. Congrats. $600 per coin. Good morning, Kent. What's up, Kent? Sorry, I missed all you guys saying. Signals are insane. NFP tomorrow. Great training day. Thanks, John. Always good training. Thank you, Jay Parker. All right, I think we're good. Locked and loaded, said Jay Parker. Nice. All right. Let's take a look at, I like doing US 30 ones because they make so much more money. It's like shocking. So I'm going to head over. We'll go over to daily. We're going to go over to here. We're going to go over to here. This is our daily. We're looking at US 30 daily right here. Blue line went high. Pink line came low. First call out here. This is our first one. I don't know if this will show or not. So the way this is going to work, just so we're all on the same page, when this is going back. Matter of fact, we can do this one, even though, well, I didn't call it. I'll do this one. That's fine. First call out here. And it's missing. It's missing. This is concerning me that it's missing some of these lines. They were there yesterday. But anyway, that's what Keith has to do. The great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. So anyway, daily. We're going to pretend this is daily. We're going to go back to here. Let me mark off a few things first. This will be the first signal. Somewhere here will be the last. Okay. So we're only going to trade in between here. We're only going to do one trade from that line forward. So let me put that forward just right there. Okay. So we're going to only look at that. So let me blur out this so that we're clear. None of this matters. You can't see it. All right. What we're going to do is the daily in between this area, these two white lines, is green. We're going back in time. We're pretending, okay? But this is what you'll see when it's normally alive. You'll see it when it's moving. You'll see this turn green. Then all you do is wait for a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute. I think that's an hourly on that one. And you wait. And you wait for what? You wait for another one of these to turn. When they first turn, it has to be when, we'll just say, for instance, right here, the hourly turns to green. You'll see a signal go to the Discord room. The first time it happens, you have to take the trade when this turns to green, right when it turns to green, i.e., you can't wait the next 5 hours later you see the green. It has to be when it flips and turns up to green up arrow from the yellow, you take the trade. Okay? So we're going to have matching. We could say 1 hour, it doesn't matter. And they form 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute. I don't know why it's not showing. That's so weird to me. All right, so these will turn first. Right? As soon as it turns, you take the trade market order. Or you can do demo market order. Or you can, if you want, you can go ahead and do follow the rules. But I'm just going to show you what easy was. This is going to be our line. This is the very first time it's called out right here. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it called these out, but it's not showing it, but whatever. So we're going to go right here to the first time it called it out here. We're going to do US 30, and we're going to select our bar back to here. Now we're going to look, and I want to manually do this to see if it'll pop that bar for us or not. If it does, I'll take the pop. And it doesn't. Really? Motherfuck. All right, we're going to go back again to here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to place, we're only going to run the simulation. See, watch. As this pink line comes up, down here, it's going to come up. As this come up, you'll notice something about price, but we're going to manually do this. So as soon as it hits our bar, here we go. I'm going to do a singular buy on US 30. You can see right here when we hit the bar, pink line, both of these are low. This is perfection when they both go low. Watch our price action over here. Watch price action right here, and let's see what happens. Watch right inside of here, okay? As this down here, the pink eventually moves up. Watch. Here we go. Look at your price. See it? See it? See it? Watch. This is the first one. That's your violet. Watch the pink. Wait for the pink to move. See the pink arch up? Look at your price when the pink arches up. Look at the price when pink arches up. See the pink coming up. See price going up. See the pink coming up. Now it was resetting. That was a reset right there on that. Look at it. Pink's back down again. Watch it come back up again. As it comes up, look at price come up. As it comes up, that's the violet color. Wait for it again. There's a hook again. There's price going up again. And that's it. So we can pause right there. You see the pink. Oh, pink was still coming up. Sorry. But that's it. You get a couple $1,000s off of a 1. I don't know what that 1 is. I believe that means it's a it's a US 30. It's not a lot. It's a 0.01 trade is what that is. Oh, and pips made on that trade from here to here, called out. Now remember what I'm showing you. This is 2,500 pips, 2,200 pips. Holy shit. This is strictly, remember what I'm showing you. This is random entry. This is just taking the order when the signal pops up. That's all that is. Michael Brown shared the live video. Thank you for sharing the live video. Make sure Michael Brown's people who's ever going through him, he's not trying to charge you anything for this. He's not trying to say this is his video. This is not Michael Brown's video, but thank you for the share. Do not get suckered in by any scammers out there. So as the pink went up, price went up. Simple as that. This is your daily. That's 2,000 pips. I've seen a lot better. Good morning, Matt Parker. Yes, signals are great. All right. So that's how it looks like on US 30. And we can go back to live now. Yeah, we made 100% win, we know. Now we could have added to our positions here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You don't take any sells when it's a buy on a daily like that. This would be a small time sell. And that's what it is. SPX has already gone over ad nauseum. I'll show you again on it. Okay, this is SPX. He astutely and correctly called what this is calling for. 15-minute buy stop, SPX, 10-minute buy stop. You can see it being called out live over here. The very first time this happened was yesterday right here. And this is the times you should have took those. Not saying these won't be correct. I'm telling you the first time is the best. And there it is right there. If you go over to the daily, we come over to here. Okay, this is forming the buy that you're currently in. Yeah, you should already been in this buy, by the way, but it's okay. This is your daily. Yesterday, SPX and NAS, between the two of them, had 39 correct calls. And you can clearly see the fill in the gap happening. I would tell you this, play any 3-minute through daily buy stops, well, through 12-hour buy stops for SPX and NAS today. Play any of them. Now, does that mean I don't want it to? No, I want it to hook back down. I would prefer it to hook back down a lot. I would, if I had my cruthers about it, I want this thing to drop like a rock today, but I don't know if we're going to get that. So if you can see on any micro level, 15-second sells, which this is not, on NAS, not on SPX, sell on US 30, yes. US 30, 15-second, 30-second sell, 30-second, 1 minute. can we get to the 3 minute? I think we got to the 3 minute yesterday on the blue line. Where the fuck is it? GBP USD buy. Let's go to GBP USD real quick. I'll come back to those in just a second. Correct. Let me go to daily. Correct. So let's see, was there any buys here? I want to see something really quick. From this line forward, we should see some buy stops. Let's just see something here. See, it's not even showing the buys. It's so weird. I don't know why it's acting finicky. Keith's really got to fix that. So it's visually showing the correct trades. It just called a 30-minute buy, but yet it's the right call, but it's not showing it on the charts here. Isn't that weird? Yeah. So yeah, I'm looking right here. We just saw buy stops here on the 15-minute after this line. Let me see if we go down to the 10-minute. Yep, 10-minute buys, 5 minutes. To the blue line, broken buy stop here. Interesting. Well, yeah, why isn't it showing it though on there? I don't know. I mean, I know Keith always says you have to go down, but that's ridiculous. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not going back that far. Fuck it. USD. I mean, it should be just picking them up right here. Oh, maybe it is. Well, now, where'd they all fucking go? Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I don't know. It's showing some here. Not there. We're on the hourly. Okay, the hourly isn't going to call it. Let's go to the daily. Is the daily going to call it? Is the daily going to call it? Yeah, the daily. This is what I was looking for. Yeah. Well, at any rate, it already hit the blue line on the daily, so we're good. Yeah, there's nothing really there. This is back when you should have bought. See, right back there where you should have bought that. Let's see. Can we go to weekly? See, this is your buy stop on the weekly. Look how easy this is. Blue line high, pink line low, weekly buy. Blue line low, pinkly both. This is your best. When they're both down low, this is your better one out of the two. This is your logo. Boop. This is a better logo. Boop. Deeper. There's your buy. That was GBBUSD. So it is what it is on that call. So anyway, let's go back to SPX. Go to the 15-minute. Yep, you'd have made some money on that trade already too on the buy. Personally, this is what it's going to do. You already have your logo down here. It's going to hook, come over here. It's going to hook, come over here. It's going to dip down right before open and then come back up. If we can get that dip right here and we can get it on SPX and or NAS, and you made money on this 15-minute buy too, by the way. I would prefer it to dip down further though. That's just me. I'm always picky. Why waste your money? Wait for it. So it just did this right here. Watch. Just came up. It's going to hook and come down. and then whoop, back up again. So let the come down happen. Let's see if we got any movement here. No. And no. So yes, Brian Flores, 15-minute buy stop SPX, 10-minute buy stop SPX, 5-minute buy stop SPX. It doesn't mean that these won't form sell stops or we get some kind of news to knock this down. I'm begging for news to knock this shit down, actually. I hope it does. We'll buy back in again. US 30 is going down, by the way. See? So we are going down on US 30. I like that. I hope it continues to dip. And then we'll get a very good buy-in for US 30. I love the 15-minute buy stop US 30. That is my favorite trade for today. Buy stop US 30. You can put it anywhere you want. Hell, put it right in between here, between this line and that line if you just want to shove it somewhere. 38,783.2. Or yeah, 83.2. You can put it on the line if you want. You can put it down here if you want. But I would wait on this because this is going to be a 15-minute 1 hour. Yep, there's your 1 hour. You can bounce it off the yellow line. You can put it up here at 38,771.0. Demo trade only, of course. But I absolutely love the 15-minute buy stop. Love it. It already went up and touched the line. I see that. It may engage the sells. I understand that. But fuck it. Take it if you can get to it. Take that buy. Speaking of which, let's head over to our other MetaTrader 4 Eagle FX account. Let's go over here and set up a buy. No, you hang up. Okay. I'm currently in 2 buys, 1 SPX, and one, which pisses me off. I got one closed, and 1 NAS from 2 days ago. And I got my buys ready to go on US 30. All right. Oh. Anybody have any questions over anything? Anybody have any concerns over anything? Do not, if Michael Brown is charging or doing anything weird with this video, do not do that. This is free. I do this pretty much every day free. And we have about another, what is that, 7:45. I got about another hour and a half with you guys, and I'll be leaving around 9:35 or so. I'll trade through the open with you this morning. I'm going to trade through NFP tomorrow. If you guys want to have some fucking fun, let's do tomorrow. What's up, Cristobal Armas? Good morning, Jose. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Johan. Can't wait for NFP, says Brian Flores. Yeah. They always do stupid shit. They'll dip it down low, collect everybody's stop losses, collect all their contracts. BlackRock and Vanguard, and all of your banks. If Forex is such a scam, if Forex didn't work, and Forex only takes money, then why are the biggest companies in the world trading Forex? Why is it a $7.2 trillion a day? Trillion with a T. Trillion a day with a D business. The only people who lose money on a consistent basis are the retail traders. Us. The only people who lose money in it is us. Every day, the banks make money. Every day, BlackRock and Vanguard makes money. What's up, Damien? Why does the 15-minute on the thing? Absolutely, Damien. This is why. Again, if these two flip to red, we can play sells on the way down, as I explained to you yesterday right before I left. See, this goes to red. If this turns to red and red, I would take as 15 or 30, 50. I would take 15-second, 30-second sell stops to the SPX line till this turns red. And if they all turn red like this, then I would take these little cells. Okay. So I called this out to happen to probably the 3-minute line. That's what's going to happen. But in reality, when you look at it, and let's just say more likely occurrence is going to happen, you'll see this turn to green, and then you'll see this turn to green. Well, then there's somebody out. Gee, I don't know which one isn't correct. Can anyone help Damien out right here? I wonder which one doesn't belong. What's up, Keith? Can you tell Damien? Right to the blue line. Correct, Matt Parker. What's up, the great Keith Palmer's in the house. What's up, Keithinator? Yo. I thought he always says yo. Yo. The man, the myth, the legend. Keith Palmer's in the house. Gonna be the one. Gonna be the one. Keith, how you doing, buddy? I really like to talk to you. Keith, can you talk right now? If Keith can talk, we're going to go. No, I just told him it was straight through the open. That's cool to see that. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, absolutely, Damien. You're welcome. There's Keith, yo. Yo. Yo, Keith is in the house. Just woke up. He's probably coding till 2 in the morning. Keith, I got 6 hours of sleep last night. Can you believe it? 6 fucking hours. Oh, shit. Damn, those guys are coming for the fence. Whoa. Oh, fuck. Idiots came when it was raining yesterday. I shouldn't call them idiots. The silly people came when it was raining. I'm going to have to go. Oh, fuck. Hey, Keith, you want to hold down the fort here? Got to make Mama some coffee. That's a lot for you. I know, isn't it, Keith? 6 hours? I remember last week I didn't even have 6 hours in 2 days. I had 5.5 hours sleep in 2 days. Good morning, Greg Roberts. What's up, Flight 379, Greg Roberts? Greg. What's up, Greg? You missed the fantastic. I was explaining every fucking thing. Keith, I was able to take my time. I've been on since like 5:30, I think it was 5:20. Explain the fuck out of everything, and people still are probably not. Well, I wonder what. I don't know. You're in the money on the buys on US 30 if you want to take them, but whatever. Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on that man's name. The man, the myth, the legend. You got a lot of things. The yo man. Gotta get. Again, we kind of make trading super easy around here. Don't overthink things. Da 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 da. No, you hang up. Does anyone know what song I'm trying to sing here in Slaughtering? Da 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 da. TGKP. The man, the myth, the legend. Oh, I get it. Da 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 da. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. What's up, Kelly? Had a great morning. You guys are a little late to the party. I'm wanting to cut out. If Keith tells me he can talk on the phone right now, I'm leaving. I am. But all call outs have been made. Let's look at gold. Can we make some money on gold, for the love of God? Gold and them our hills. 30-second, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sell stop, 15-second, 30-second gold to the 1 minute blue line. I think it's already done it. Yeah, it's already done it multiple times. If you don't like the gold, sell, which it is. 3 minute sell. You're a little late getting in. 5 minute. Forming a gold. Da 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 da. 1 hour. Forming a 15-minute, 1 hour buy. Is that not what I said? Is Mr. C to not just play all these sells all the way down? We talked about it this morning. Mr. C made the money. We called the sells further down. It's forming a 1 hour, 15-minute, 1 hour buy. Stop gold. 15-minute. And I don't know where. I bet you 90% of the time my little lines I draw right here go away. I think because I open up charts or because I copy charts. I don't really know why they go away, but they go away. So I'm going to place it there and hope for the best. I'm going to hold you up. Yes. Rinse and repeat all morning. I know, right? It's just doing the fucking same thing again. Gold is just going down. It's going to form our 1 hour buy stop later in the day, probably around open, maybe a little later. It's either going to move it at 9:30 to 10:30 or it's going to move it at 1:30 to 2:30. It's always the 4 hour candles. Well, let's take a look at the 4 hour candles and see on gold. Let's see. Ooh, might come down a little bit more. It's a little high. I'd prefer gold to come down to 23.53. I'd even take 23.54, somewhere in that range. If gold can come down there, that would be nice. I don't know if it will, though. Daily buy, daily, weekly buy, daily, weekly. Daily isn't low enough. Didn't I just draw this out where I said this weekly didn't come down low enough? Let me see the daily. Yeah, see, that's why. You're making me pick. Remember I drew this pink line coming down, blue line coming across. I'd rather it come down. 15 minute. Can it come down a little lower? Yeah, it can. Yeah. It's still a 15-minute, 1 hour buy. I'm just trying to be picky here. See, now this is how it's going to look on our call outs for later today. So you're going to see this. When this thing starts to hook up like that, then what you're going to see is the signal service start calling out 1 hour. Because see, when this hook happens here, you're going to see this turn from the neutral color of yellow to the up arrow green. So when this hooks up right here later today, then you're going to wait for these little 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes to start firing off. Boop, boop. 30-second will fire off probably first, then 1 minute, then 3 minute. When the colors match on a buy arrow, so you see a buy arrow and it's going to be green. When this happens, what you're going to see is this. Watch, this is so fun. I'm going to draw it all out for you. See if I'm right. Now, if it doesn't occur, that's fine. Don't care. This will be like this. And I would really prefer this little thing right here, this pink thing, to come down and join it like this. You'll see both of them come down somewhere around here. You'll see both of them hook and come up like that. And this one comes up and hooks like that. When you have the space in here of these hooks, right in here, you're going to have this movement up. You're going to see price action up here. Do this. It's going to hook like that. It's going to come up like that. As it's coming up, it's going to start calling out these signals. What signals is going to call out? It's going to call out these fucking cool-ass signals right here. They're going to pop up right here as this starts to turn up. You'll see it come somewhere around here. You'll see a 30-second do like this. Then you'll see like a 1 minute right here. It'll be a 1 minute M1 and so on. You'll see these signals turn right here. That's what you see. This doesn't happen on the daily because this isn't playing a daily. This is playing the 1 hour. We're on the 1 hour chart. If gold does this right here, you'll see the signals fire when this starts to turn up. As the signals fire, you'll be able to make your money, and look for that in your Discord room, gold room. That's what will be happening over probably the next several hours. I can see it probably, I don't know if it's going to happen at open. It might not happen until 1:30, 2:30 this afternoon. That's my opinion. Was that specific enough for you? The US 30 bicep is supposed to have, I'm already in it. I'm already up money on it, on the US 30 buy. I'm in it. You guys do what you're going to do. Good morning, Erica 621. Good morning, Erica. I'm already in the buy. I'm already up the money. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to close one down. Lock in profit on the other. There's these ones right here. Yeah, I don't. You guys do whatever you're going to do. I kind of go in and do what I'm going to do. Demo trade money only. I closed one down and locked in profit on the other. Was this a detailed enough explanation for you with drawings on what I expect gold to do? Yes or no? I apologize for the details about Tuesday price action. Your accuracy is unmatched. Bless you and the whole crew. You're no trouble, Euro Trades. Good morning, Euro Trades, by the way. It's okay. I don't know. I mean, my only thing is I love questions. I don't love doubting questions. Ask your question as if, you kind of somewhat know how the system's working. That's cool. Ask doubting questions like, oh, well, it didn't move in the 15-minute sell. That I don't take kindly to that. No, I don't. You can say the same thing in a positive manner. I wouldn't care. When you say things in a negative manner, yeah. Oh, shit. I forgot. I got to get ready for these guys. Hold on a second. All right. How much for the system? What's up, Helder? Fly the sky. So that was good enough explanation on people on TikTok and YouTube. I drew out exactly how gold will go, whether it breaks in the next. It isn't going to break in the next hour, I don't think. I just don't. Maybe by 9:30 to 10:30, maybe in that 2-hour period of time, you can see this happen. I think this is going to happen just I would say within the next day, it'll happen like this. Oh, it's $575 for the system. Here, let me pull it up. Right here, you go over to safetytrade.com, $575 for the system. If you want the sniper, this little thing down here I'm drawing out, it's $150 a month. If you want the signals, you can pay for those extra. But you don't need any of this shit. You can trade without this. I wouldn't trade without the sniper, this thing right here. But, whatever. But it's $575 for the year. And then I got to go because these guys are coming to put up a fence, which they tried to do the other day. There it is. All right. And no, you can request things. I feel bad now for you, Trace. Trace, don't make me feel bad. It's just that, I guess I took the way you asked the question, a little more personally, I guess. So let me go ahead. My legs are so sore. I did walking lunges with Bree yesterday, and we walked across 100 feet. Oh my gosh. Of walking lunges. Oh my gosh. All right. I'll be right back. Give me just a minute. I got to get some stuff ready. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to open up the gate and shit for everybody. I'll call that trust attorney later, too. All right, I'm back. Anybody have any questions or concerns or comments? I'm gonna got me up. Good morning, Steve. What's up, Steve? I'm glad I was able to help, Mr. C. All right. So you go over to the safetytrade.com to buy the system, $575 for the year. What you get for the $575? Oh yeah, US 30's in the money. US 30's in the money. Let's go over to US 30. Let me clear all this shit off of here. Hold on. Gonna be the one. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right. Let's go over to US 30 and see. Oh yeah, but it's such little movements. Yeah, I wouldn't be too excited for US 30 yet. I mean, it's nice and all that we're in the money and you made money. That's cool. But the reality of it is, I still think you need a pullback. This is what I would prefer US 30 to do. It formed our logo, came over, hooked, right, came up, hooked, right, came up. I want it to pull back down a little bit more and then do its up move to its 15-minute line. How is that going to look? Let's take a look. It's right there. I mean, it is right there. See, I pulled off this line. That's why I'm in the money. Gee whiz. You want to be real safe about it? Here, let me explain how to take this trade on US 30. You could have bounced it off the yellow line right here. Boop, been in the money, fine. But whatever. Number one, blue line high, pink line low. First time it happens is the best. Let's take a look. First time it happens is the best. Let's take a look. This is the first time it happened. Okay? When I called it out live the other day, whatever day this fucking was, the 4th or 3rd. Oh shit. I just opened the gate and the fence guys are here. Oh shit, I might have to go if the fence guys are here and they need me. That's funny as fuck. They were supposed to get here at 8:30. They're here at 8. That was funny. Okay. So watch. Let's be clear here. Good morning, Adam. Nice, Adam. I'm glad you'll be back. That's awesome. All right. So watch. This is when you should have took the trade. See all the buys right here? First time. Second time. So you can see blue line stays high, pink line dips. And this is, well, either one of these actually really good when they both come down. And this came down too. All right. This is now then, this is the second time. Here comes the third time, which was yesterday. This is the fourth time. So the first time is the best, and we're on our fourth time. I'm not saying it's not going to go up. I'm just telling you that if you'd have gotten in here, look at all the money you would have been in. The second time, look at all the money. Yesterday, I'm not saying it's not going to go. This is a 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. It is happens to be. Does everybody put a 7 up if you understand that this is the fourth time this is occurring and that the first time is the best? Please put a 7 up on the screen if you guys understand that. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. Okay, Erica, Greg, Rapid Empowerment, Adam, George, good job. Steve, Michael Moyan, Boost, Flight, there you go. So, does that take anything away from the call I made? No. But let's go ahead and have some fun. This is US 30. And the very first time was here. So I'm going to do this. Is what I'm going to do for us, because I don't know if they're going to show or not. I'm going to draw a line in when we should enter the trade. So it's going to be here on a white line. It's going to be, I'll put one here on this white line. And then I'm going to put one here on this white line. And then we're going to let them run. I'm only going to open up 3 trades. Even though, let me be clear, there is shit tons more than 3 trades being called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's probably in all these groupings somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 20 trades. I'm only going to do the first one of each. First one here, here, and here. Okay? So let's take a look. We're going to select our bar. This is 1 hour. This is a replay feature of TradingView. We're going to go back to here. I don't know if it's going to call the trades live. So watch what happens. You're going to see this pink line come up. When it does, you're going to see what happens to the trades dollar-wise, how great that's going to fucking be. So I'm going to manually push it to right here, and I'm going to do a buy. Maybe. There it is. Here's our buy, okay? So watch this area right here, and then we're going to wait. This isn't low enough, but I don't care. I don't know if it's going to show. Now we're going to play it. Let me move this over. So watch. The sniper pink line is low. We're going to wait for this purple to come down. We entered the trade a little bit early, but that's okay. We're about to draw down probably what's going to happen. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button. And I'm going to do another buy here. And I'm going to do another buy when it hits here. Just 3 of them, even though there's about 13. I'm not doing all the other ones. I'm just doing these. Okay, so here we go. And we're going to hit play. Watch price action right here. And I'm going to do another buy when it hits that other white line. Watch this price action. You see the pink coming up? Did you see that? Now watch. When it hits this line over here, I'm going to do another buy. Oh, they are coming up. I see lines popping up. I did not know that they were going to do that. That's great. This is our price. So watch, see the pink come back up again. Now it's going to hook and come back down again. And then we're going to do another buy when we hit this line. And watch price action right here. Okay. And then now we're in 3 buys, and this is your price. Watch the pink lines. Watch the pink line come up. Look at your price go up. And now watch it hook down. And it's going to come down again. Are you watching this? And then it's going to boop. Oh, that's the end of the day. And there it is. 3 trades, 100%, $713. And that's just off of a 0.1. Let's do that same little scenario. It's just so much fun to see this. Let's do the same little trade. We're going to go back to here. Boop. And then we're going to go back to there. These are our 3 buy lines in. And we're going to go ahead, instead of doing a 1, we're going to do a 25. All right, I'm going to do it manually at first. Okay, and we're going to put a buy in. Boop. And we're going to hit play. Boop. Watch the money. It's just fun to see. And then we're going to wait again until we get to the next white line here. And then we're going to do another buy. And then we're going to go ahead and wait till we get to the next white line, and we're going to do another buy. Just like it does. You see what it's doing? Pink line's going to come down again. And then watch. You're going to see it hook and come back up. And we'll do another buy. So we'll have the 3 buys. This is just with bigger money, that's all. And then there's your bigger money. See the pink came up. Oopsie price. So you're looking at about 20,000. I think it peaked at 21,000, something like that. There you go. There you go. I don't know. I just love seeing the playbacks. I think it's so fucking cool to watch the sniper in action and watch your prices. Just so fucking cool to me. Anywho, all right, gold. Someone said uh, XAEUR to the 1 minute blue line. Okay. Oh, that's gold Europe. XAU. Nice, Jan. Very happy for you. Yep, there it is. Arched up. That is our gold, which is the same as the other. All right. So we called out. We have time. So is there any news now? You said no news at 8:30 or 8:15. No news is good news. I'll take that. I don't really fucking around. Oh, you're in the money on your buys on. Oh, another guy here. Fuck. You're in the money on your 15-minute buy. NAS, SPX. You're in the money on their buy NAS and SPX 15 minutes. And then US 30, you're also in the money, but we're going to sit here and watch this. In the money on your US 30 buy to the blue line. In the money on the NAS buy, 15 minute. In the money on the SPX buy. Now, me personally, I personally don't think this is the final push up here. It might be. But again, I just don't think so. I think what you're going to see happen before market open is this. You're going to see this little push. You're going to see this hook down like this. Then you're going to see the up. That's what I think is going to happen at market open. Like that. Thank you, Raider Trader. So I'm fully expecting this pullback before market. There you go. Before market open, told you. Let this pull down. Look at US 30. Let that pull down. Perfect. Let's see if we have a 1 minute. Let's wait a minute. Nope, not the 3 minute yet. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop to the US 30 blue line right here. Go ahead and do that. Yep, to the 3 minute blue line if I wasn't clear on that. And then now go ahead and look for your 15-minute buy. You got to let this dip down. That's just what they do. They always bring it up a little before market open-ish, you know, the 7:30, 8:30 time, and then they hook it, and then they bring it back up again. And just as I was drawing that out, that's too funny. It did it right then. Perfect timing. Yep. Perfect. I just don't like this. See, it's red right here. Well, let me draw this for you so you can see it. This is a true buy stop. Let me show you what this looks like. This is red, right here. Then what they do is they do it green right here. And then this turns red again. That is how it's going to look. And then these lines will be green. This is a true buy. This is what it looks like because this is how it goes. Watch. You want to see something really cool? This is it. All this doing is drawing out a W right here for you. So watch what this looks like. You have, right? You have green up. So this is green. It means up right here. Red means down. Green means up. Red means down. Then they'll spike it back up later like that. So that's what they're doing. 8 out of 10 times they won't do a V where they just hook it straight up. They'll do this where they're going to change this to green again. This is on SPX, but this will do the same thing on NAS. And this will do the same thing on US 30. Well, we want it to do the same thing on NAS. We want it to do the same thing in US 30. So does that make sense? This is how you know you're in the right trade when you see this green, red pattern. That's just showing you you're in your W. My gold is different. $25 an ounce in 2 minutes. $25. Nice. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Steve, again. Does everybody understand what I drew out? So they'll make the little move up like nowadays, then they'll hook it down, then they'll make the bigger move up, the big move up later, probably right at open, whatever it is, right around there. That's just what they're going to do. And that's a typical movement for you. Oh, and by the way, that was another buy if you want to do on this. All right, I'm going to go check on the fence, guys. I'll be back in a jiffy. If you need something, let me know. Let me know. I'll be right back. Write down some questions. I'm going to check on the fence, guys. Yep, they're over there drilling away. Post hole digging, dot, dot, dot. Post hole digging, dot, 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 dot. All right. Let's take all that away. I hope that made sense to you. But that's what they do. We can go back and look. I can show you example after example if you want to see it. Just what they do. Just what they do. Matter of fact, there's a double up right there. This is what a W looks like. Double bottom, whatever you want to call them. See right here, look. This is your down, up, down, up. Literally, this is what they did. I don't know if this is yesterday or 2 days, but that's what this is. This is from May 3rd, May 4th, May 3rd and May 4th over 2 days. See, pull. By the way, double Bach break right here. There's your Bach break. See how it does it? Same thing. Green, red, up. WW, there's your price. Doop, 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 doop. This is actually a safety trade right in here. Oh, I didn't remove these suckers. So yeah, that's just all. They do it all the time. There's really not, they can't really do much. They're kind of trapped with their own lies and deceit, what they do. So they get captured all the time. Here it is again, same time period. Doop, doop, doop. W on, this is US 30. Boom, see it? This is NAS, same time. Look, see this right here? The reds and the greens. Look, I'll even make it more specific for you guys. Doop, 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 right here. Look inside of there. Look inside of there. And then watch. Doop, doop, same thing. And then if you go over here, same thing. They do it at the same time. Look, this is the same time right here. SPX, same time. NAS, same time. US 30. Do, 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 do. There you go. I hope that makes sense to you. I don't really get into the W's, but this is a double bottom. That's all that is. Sometimes they do triple bottoms if it's a faster, like a 1 minute, 3 minute, they'll do triple bottoms. And that's it. Oh, jeez. I'm putting things back. I feel like a country song being played backwards. Let's get rid of this. All right. Matter of fact, we can get rid of these too. We don't need the drawings on there. Have you ever tried gold? AUD, EUR, USD. Oh, sure. It makes so fun. Give them beers. Have you ever tried gold? AUD, EUR, USD. Oh, sure. They move like ours. You mean like in Germany, Jan? I'm sorry. I can't read her. Odds, EUR. They don't always move like the three indices, if that's what you mean. No, they don't move in unison. No, they're close, but no, not the same. Definitely not the same. Gold exists with every currency in the world. That is true. Oh, like gold, odds, gold, EU, gold, CHF. It's an interesting. Maybe, I don't know. I'd have to look a little bit more into that one. Yeah, I got you. Interesting calls, by the way. You see the calls on US 30 for the signals? They're different than NAS and SPX. NAS and SPX are clearly, they're clearly calling the buy stops. US 30 is not. That's why US 30 is still taking this little dump right now. It's just going to do it. It's already hit its blue line. It bounces off it a few times. I want it to go past it, though. I'm not accepting that it just hit it like I called out. I want it to go past this. So we'll just have to wait. Maybe they'll come up with some bullshit news later today. Tomorrow. Maybe they'll do tomorrow. Maybe they'll drop it a little today and they'll do tomorrow. Oh, I'll have to go check on the fence guys soon. Kevin, do you feel that your Wim Hof breathing helps with your patience? Yeah. You don't need the book. Wim Hof breathing is absolutely. I've been lifting weights since 6th grade, the summer of 6th grade, and I'm 58 or something now. I would absolutely skip lifting weights and do Wim Hof. That's how important Wim Hof is. I might miss a day a week, but I don't miss a week of Wim Hof breathing. I absolutely would do Wim Hof breathing all the time, 100% all the time. Yeah, you just go over to, let me see. I'll try to open it up for you. Hold on. I mean, he has great stuff. You can get the book if you want. I don't know if it's free or whatever. I'm just saying Wim Hof. Oh, wait, let me go over to YouTube first of all. All you have to do is go into YouTube. And what is that? And then go over to here. Wim Hof breathing technique. And either one, but I want this one right here. Right here. So this Wim Hof breathing technique right here. There we go. This one right here. He probably has like millions of views, 2.7 million views. I've probably given him 10,000 of those views. See, I was right in the middle. I do the first 2 rounds with oxygen. And you hold your breath for a minute and a half. I actually hold my breath for about, depending on the day, but 2.5 minutes each time. That's what starts with right here. And you do your little breathing. Do this together sometime. Breathe in through your nose. It's diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe in through your tummy, technically. You do this 30 times. And then when you get to the 30 right here, you hold it for a minute the first. Fucking incredible. I pause the video. I pause the video and hold it for 30 seconds more. And then, okay, what the fuck? Hello? You'll build up, Adam. Yeah, I do about 2 minutes minimum and about 2.5 minutes maximum. But it only takes about a week, 2 at the most, and you'll be at full thing with them. Then you do a recovery breath for 15 seconds, and then you do it again. And it's called, let me see over here, Wim Hof, guided Wim Hof breathing, and it looks like this one. Wim Hof guided breathing 4 years ago, 85 million views. Okay, I've probably given them 1,000. Well, probably more than 1,000 actually. But this one, this is all you need is this one. Yeah, his shit's incredible. You know, he's been tested. You should do a little thing, watch a little documentary on him. They actually brought him into the hospital, injected him with stuff that should make you throw up. He doesn't throw up. They injected him with the stuff to make you get like the flu and cold, the viruses shit. He doesn't get sick. So it's the wildest shit on earth. Then he brought in some of his students and they did the same thing. And he's been studied. He has world records. He's walked, what was it, barefoot to the top of some fucking mountains. He doesn't wear any kind of, it's amazing. You should really look into him. He's a fucking cool dude. Cool dude. Cool dude. Let's see. In the money on your buy on US 30. Let's see if this is going to go up. Sorry, talking about Wim Hof instead of trading. There you go. See what they do if you put your stop loss right on this one? See, this is where you're supposed to put your stop loss. Price action came down, engaged, right? You put your stop loss underneath there. If you'd have put it right on it, it would have tapped you out. Then it came back up again. You could have made your money. It's moving around actually kind of erratically right now. I'm surprised there's not any news. So you can take your profit out and get out of the trade if you'd like. Feel free. At this time of day, that's really odd the way this is acting. To be quite frank about it. I'm in the money again, by the way, on the trade. Yeah, I still don't think this is the move up yet. Did NAS go up a lot? Let me see. No. Yeah, I would sell if you're in profit, get out, and then just wait a minute. Let me see. NAS. No, let me see this SPX. Yeah. See that SPX right here? Look. Green, red, green. I just think it needs to do red again. I do. And then it'll draw my little drawing out. Then you'll see the shoot up later. Pearl diver, hold breath, 24. I know, isn't that crazy? Never. That was 8:30 news. Oh, there was news. I thought someone said there was no news. Oh, whatever. Go gold. Let's look at gold real quick. Little gold, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute. Yep. Is this the 1 hour is what you're saying? I don't like this pink hasn't come, the purple hasn't come down to join the pink yet, to be honest with you. You can be in the buy though. See, that's our buy line in, remember? This is the buy line in on gold. And we're in 2,360. Oh, it made $5 an ounce off that move. That's more than good enough. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a good little move. I personally think it's not done yet, though. I think we're still going to see that push down. I like this to hook more right there. And then you'll see it. And again, on gold, we don't have to be in a rush. This gold right here, when this gold hooks over like this and starts to come up. Right in here, when it starts to make that up move, you'll be getting these 30-second, 1 minute buys. They'll be coming in over here, and then you'll see price do this. But you should wait for this, and then you'll see it. Is it going to fill in the gap? It looks like to me. Hold on. Yes, fill in the gaps. Let me go back down then. Nope. Yeah, 15-minute. Yep, absolutely. Isn't this fun? How many fucking correct trades do we have to have for people to say, hey, maybe I should buy the system? All right. Again, I think gold should come down a little bit more before it makes its move. But again, who knows? Could be wrong. Oh, so much fun. If you didn't think $5 an ounce, $3 an ounce, whatever, on gold is enough money, then I don't know what you're doing in life. That's a lot of money. All right. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Questions, concerns, or comments? Oh, shoot, they're making the fence anyways. Fuck. That's funny. All right. Great info, Kev. I'm still learning system. Absolutely, Erica. I think we all are learning something about the system every day. Let's see. What is NAS doing? Yeah, see, here we go. So here's that little push down I said. See it? There's your red right here. Okay, pull this up. There we go. Here's the red right here. There's that green. And now we're getting that pull back down. So we'll see 15-minute. What time is it? 8:30. Probably for the next several 15 minutes, these will turn red, I'm hoping. You'll see red right here as I drew out. And then we'll see the, and then we'll see the 15-minute 1 hour. So if this is truly a 15-minute 1 hour, you should see this come down at least close to the yellow line, preferably somewhere in it. And let's go to gold, by the way, while I'm thinking of that. Yeah, see, same thing. So we still need gold to come down to this yellow line right here. Maybe the green. We prefer it actually to go in between the channel, to be exact with you. The rules state that gold should do, that gold price should come up, come over, and then it should hook, come in between our channel, and then come up. That's what we're looking for on gold. US 30 is kind of closer to that. NAS was not. See, NAS is too far away. Let me show you. So you want it to come down like this right here and do its little thing like that. That's what you want. You want price to hook, come down. Maybe we only get to touch to the yellow line right there, maybe. But I'd like it to hook and come between the yellow and the green. There, that's what you do. And there you go. And then you can see this as a 15-minute, what it's looking like. If we go to SPX and we go to the hourly, it's also not near it on the hourly. It's supposed to come down at least, come close to that yellow line. And that's why I see that little double up thing right here. Got the cells working now. I thought you had the cells working, Keith. Good morning, Keith. Yeah, I'm probably going to put another buy stop in on US 30 here shortly. Oh. Well, congratulations, Keith. Got the cells working. I broke them, but it's all good now. Keith, you're supposed to keep the old code. I broke them. Shit, Keith. Oh, Lord. Are we going to talk today, Keith? Because I'll be done here about 9:35, 9:40. I kind of lost some steam. I'm kind of getting tired, to be honest with you. Time to start testing. Nice. Buys and sells. All right, cool. And then do we have the matchup of the hourly and the dailies yet? So if I go to the hourly, it shows the daily, and the daily shows the hourly. Let me see, because what I'm saying is, let's see. See right here, for instance. There's the 1 hour. We go to the 15-minute, it's not there. The 1 hour is there. 4 hour, I don't even know what the fuck happened. The 4 hour has a 5-minute. So these just all need to match. We just have to make sure to see the daily doesn't show any. So if it's working its way up from the time frame, see the 1 hour, then why aren't the 15 minutes there? But the 1 hour shows them 5-minute. See, look, there's the 5-minute, has the 5-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute. Oh, now that looks pretty good. What am I on, SPX? I might do another buy on this one. Hold on. So far away from the 4 hour though. I'm gonna wait. Things that make you say, because TradingView sucks. You got to see this. Absolutely. Okay, cool. I can't wait to see it, Keith. Good morning, LT. What's up, LT? Let me, I'm going to go over to my other MT4 account, drop in some buy stops, sell stops on SPX and NAS and US 30. I hope I remember to follow them down as it comes down, though. Lord knows, knowing me, I won't. Let's take a look. And then we're going to come over to here. And then we're going to come over to here. All right. And we're going to hold on those. I can't wait to be king. Da, 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 da. As Mr. T would say, buy the system, fool. That's right. Mr. T thinks he's still alive, too. Because TradingView sucks. That is, the coding of TradingView is horrid. Poor Keith. I feel terrible for him. Good morning, Casey McMahon. Congratulations again on your achievement yesterday or the day before, I think it was. Good morning, Little Joe. People just hopping in a little later this morning. I like it. I like it. We're looking for buy stops on the 15-minute. You can enter off the 30, though. Buy stops for NAS and SPX and US 30. My favorite is US 30. Look. What did I call out last night? Son of a fucking bitch. Told you you could play these NAS to the 30-second. I called it out this morning. Now you have US 30 to the 1-minute blue line, which is where I said I wanted it to go to. Let's take a look on the NAS's 15-second. 15-second. Sell stop. 15-second sell. 30-second sell to the 1-minute towards the 1-minute blue line of NAS, towards the 1-minute blue line of SPX. If you don't want to do these short-term sells, then just wait and do the longer-term buys. How cute is this? As called out last night, as called out this morning, you have the third. I wish these would have broke first, but it was US 30, then NAS, and then SPX, whatever. And then you have the 1 minute. Will we get to the 3 minutes this morning? I don't know if we will or not. We'll see. It's all because of you. Thank you, Casey. I agree with that statement. Flawless is a good name. Precious. Precious in the house today. 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 Good morning. All right, all right, all right. Da 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 da. All right, all right, all right. Da 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 da. All right, all right, all right. Da 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 da. So short-term little sells. They're setting up for our buys. 15-minute buy stop US 30, 15-minute buy stop NAS and SPX. I love this US 30 one. They're all going to do great. Pick your favorite. US 30 or NAS are my two favorites. Pick which ones you like. You can do the sells if you like. If not, do the buys. Bye, bye, bye. Getting close to market open. We have 45 minutes. If anybody has any questions, concerns, or comments, speak up now. We have NFP tomorrow. I wouldn't miss that. We're going to have a lot of fun trading that. Hopefully make a shit ton of money. Da 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 da. Any questions, concerns, or comments? If you have anything you'd like to talk about, please speak up. I don't care if it's bad. At this point, I have no clue. If you could what the enter code 901484. Verify. Oh, that is my current password? Son of a bitch. That's funny. I forgot my password, but then I put in the same password. Another code? What? Nine, 5, 3, 2, 2. Sure. I have no idea what's happening. Sure looks pretty good for that sell on that SPX, though, I'll tell you that. Well, what does this have to do with anything? I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Insurance companies are the worst. Fucking worst. And when I can. Okay. When? How can I become an affiliate? How do you become an affiliate, John? You write a nicely worded email to Bree, and she'll send you an affiliate link. All right. Amen to the insurance comment. I was saying that out loud. Yeah, insurance is great. If you never use it and you always pay them, it's perfectly fine. But if you ever try to use insurance, car, home, dental, health, doesn't matter. They're all the same. They want to collect every premium. They want to pay you nothing. Ridiculous. And by the way, I'm trained as a commercial line inland marine underwriter. Went to the College of Insurance. It's part of St. John's University now, 101 Murray Street, downtown New York City. Boom. Boom, baby. Naked. 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 All right, where were we? I'm bored. All right. I have my buy stops in for NAS, SPX, US 30, 15 minuters. See what she's looking like here, peeps. Let's see what she's looking like. Naked. Oh, we're in the money on all of them, actually. You're in the money on NAS, SPX, US 30. All in the money. Close them down, lock in profit, whatever you want to do. Naked. Wait it. Just close them down. You don't have to keep them open. Feel free. Naked. Wait. These are my trades I have open. I'm going to close down several of those and lock in profit on the other ones. Naked. Wanger, man. Naked. Wait. I'm going to close those down. What is that? SPX? I'm going to close this one down. And then I'm going to close. I got too many of these NASs going. Okay. All the trades were profitable. 15-minute buy stops across the board. 15-minute sell stops across the board. Take your poison. I don't care which. I happen to like the US 30 the best on a buy 15-minute, but you can do NAS, whatever you like. Insurance is the worst, says Brian Claus. I know, right? You're welcome, John. Yeah, insurance companies. They're always the biggest building with the banks in every city. That should tell you who's scamming us out of the most money. Right? If they weren't scamming us, they wouldn't have the biggest money. Wake the F up. Wake the F up. All right. Anybody have any? Do we have time? Yeah, we have time. We have about, I'll be on for about another 35, 40 minutes, something like that. We'll trade through the open. Let's see. I can't see if this is red or not. I don't think this turned red. I think that's just green. That's not good. It means it might still dip a little, but nonetheless, make your money while you can. Yep, in the money on all the trades now. All the trades from this morning, all the trades from yesterday, 100% win rate this morning, by the way. Those are your trades now. Da 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 da. So, yep, we made a little bit of money this morning. We made good money yesterday. We're making great money for the 2 days ago. There's your money. You don't have to stay in the trade any longer than you have to. So many of you try to find out ways to lose by holding trades. Wake the F up. Yep. Wake the F up with how the government works. Wake the F up how trading works. I got to stick with trading, otherwise I get in trouble. Wake the F up. Yep. That's our new slogan. Oh, shit. Oh. All right. TikTokers, YouTubers, in the money on those buys. Feel free to close them down if you want. On all buys. No need to stay anything any longer than you have to. Da, da, da. Yes, we do have a Discord room. No, you can't get in it. Da, 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 da. BXG. I have no idea who that is. K. Looks like he's making some money on those trades. Here's some money made on somebody here. This is FX Wolf. Made $1,000. Da, 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 da. Here's somebody. Whatever these trades are, look good to me. Yeah, 210, 820. Rolling in the money. That's funny. There's FX Wolf again. I mean, all day, every day. There's Karen McMahon passing her certificate. Congratulations again on that, Karen. Casey McMahon. Then there's just Adam. Got his. Congratulations, Adam Knapp. Here's Pedro E. A winning trade. Cute little things. Some stuff in here. I don't know. There's some more stuff. Frosty Seaweed. Yep, they just poke, and then system call outs and how they made money with that. D-Man calling out his, making his money. Easy money on Friday. That was a free money day. And just everything. We're just a very positive group. No one's a douche or I kick them out. Rob Bless, thank you, Kevin. Wasn't given a chance to trade today, but finally about 15 minutes profit. He made, what was that, $448. One losing trade. I'll have to yell at him about that. 4 winning. But this was on June the 5th. All over the place throughout all of our rooms. You can see it clearly. We have a separate signal room in here. Parker, machine guns, pure money. Took the eBay, very proud of Bob for that. Took the eBay signal for fun, $13 up. Rocket woke up in the middle of the night. I mean, look at all these testimonials, hundreds, thousands. Let me be clear on this. These aren't just hundreds of testimonials. If we go back on Trade Recap, I don't know how to do it. Tommy probably knows. But we can go back over a year of testimonials and buys and say, look at this. Look at this. This is Bird, one of our members, Bird. 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000 profit. Look, here's some more. D. Enger, winning trades. Largest winning trades. See, that's better. 100% win rate. 100% win rate. Max run up 3,000. Look, there's his trades. I mean, it's all over here. Everybody. DZ Alton. Oh, Brian, that's you? BXGL, that's you. Congratulations, Brian. Morning, Kev. Morning, Jackson, Andre. In the money on all the buys that we've called out. Actually made the money on sales. This is Quentin. I think Quentin kicked ass this day. You know, he made good money. And it goes back for years. Shane, yep. It goes back for years and years. Well, a year, months and months and months. Here's Quentin again. But I mean, I'm telling you, if you guys only, I mean, we can go back a year of people's testimonials over and over and over. Here's click, number of winning trades, $3,100 made, 100% win rate. I mean, it just keeps going. There's testimonial after testimonial. Here's Big Kahuna. Where's Big Kahuna been? He kicked ass. Maxwell kicking ass. Rocket kicking ass. Over and over and over again. Winning trades, winning trades, winning trades, winning trades, winning trades. Jan, there's hers. Doubled her account. Certified funded trader for Jake from State Farm, Jacob Silva. Look at him go. Very proud of him. Another funded one, Clee. Okay, I don't know how to say the name. J, HSMB1, couple $100 wins there. Kicks fucking ass. Kick makes some shit ass fucking money. Here's Kick's trades, boy. You want somebody that knows how to fucking use the system? Click. Tommy does. Tommy Toodles Kick. $4,250 profit. I know he made over $300,000 last year. He pulled it out of his account one time. Here's some more. $2,705. Here's another one. $1,885. Here's some more from J Flow. 700, 3,000. Holy fuck. Good job, Jay. Here's some more. I mean, just pick somebody. It just keeps going on and on and on and on. Kind of like Journey song. Is that Journey? On and on and on. 1 4-hour sell. DZ. Alton right here. There's his wins. Can you see that on TikTok? No, you can't see the part over here, but you can see this part. Yeah. There you go. Here's some more. Maxwell. I mean, this goes on for over a year. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of wins. Hundreds and hundreds. Shane Epp again. It just doesn't stop. And then there's plenty of other rooms with all the wins in it too. This is a sniper room. Look at it all. No, but no, you can't come in the Discord. You have to buy the system. You're like, oh, I want to come in the Discord. No, you're not. Not happening. All right. Have we stalled long enough? Nope. 25 minutes to market open. I do have time to go over a few things. If anybody has any questions, please ask now. What's up, Don't Cast Stones? What's up, buddy? What's up, Jose? I don't think Jose has said good morning to us yet, but good morning, Jose. Where's Billy been? I don't know. Billy, oh, I do know. I can't say. Just everyone pray for everybody in our group anyways. Billy did have a slight challenge, but I believe he's doing okay. So that's Billy. All right. Trades profitable, in the money, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Let's go over some trades before open. I'll give you what I think gold's going to do, oil's going to do, and ERUSD is going to do before open. We're going to trade US 30 and NAS at open. Do not trade open with me unless you're an expert with my system, or you can follow my instructions clearly. Only trade demo money. Always lock in profit when you have the trades in profit. Those are all my call outs for you guys. Julius. Maybe the other Jose. Jose Luis Salon. Is that you, Julius? I don't know. Yeah. Naked. 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 All right. Now, oh, good. Here's a better tip. Here we go. This is what we were hoping for. Yeah, see, we need this to turn red. I know it sounds odd, doesn't it? Waiting for this to turn red. Buy stop, 15-minute. SPX. Put it at 5,356.7, demo money only, and wait for it. As this comes down, move your numbers down with it. So I don't want to hear, oh, you called 5,356.4, and if it keeps going down, write it down. Okay. Now, good. Do we have time before market open? Yes. All right, let's go ahead and go over to here. We'll start with EURUSD. EURUSD. What do I think it's going to do? Hell, I don't know. Let's kiss the Prennick this morning. Buy 1 hour. Let this finish out right here. Let's get this system up. 1 hour. EURUSD. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. EURUSD. Oh, look. It's calling for a 30-minute buy stop. Daily. Damn, this fucking thing is getting too good. Keith, you guys aren't going to need me no more. 15-minute. 30-minute? Yeah, it is a 30-minute. I don't know how. Oh, it didn't miss the hourly. We missed the call on the movement. See right here, it's not showing it because it already called it and it's already moved on. This was the hourly buy. You'd have made a lot of money on that, actually. That was a good pip. All right. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop as called out me and by the mini me over here. 30-minute, nothing. 15-minute, nothing. I mean, it's buy stop, buy stop. I don't care about that. We already knew that. 5-minute sell. To the, did I already touch the blue line? Oh, shit. 5-minute sell to the blue line, EURUSD, but I think it already touched it. Yeah, 3-minute too. 1 minute, 30-second. Come on now. 15-second to the 30, to the 30. Already did it to the 1 minute. Already did it. Yep, did it. 3-minute. Came back down, did it again. 5-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line again. I think it's going to dip down and touch that much thorough. So ERUSD, I see it pulling back down either before open or right at open, and then the buy kicks in. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop ERUSD. 15-second, 3-minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line. ERUSD. Oil. US and UK oil, both are the same. Secret 15-second buy stop to the blue line. Secret agent man. Secret agent man. Secret agent man. Look at that 10-minute, 15-minute buy. I already did it. It's got to come back down again. Secret 30-minute man. I. Da 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 da. I. Da 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 da. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Oil. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. First of all, it's got to dip back down here, then flip up to do a buy. 5 minute, 15 minute US oil buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop US UK oil. 15-second buy stop US oil to the blue line. Sell stop US oil. 1 minute, 30-second, 1 minute. Okay. That is EUR USD for open, NAS SPX US 30. I'll be trading at open. Gold, 15-second buy to the blue line. 30-second buy to the blue line to the 1 minute. 15-second, 30-second buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Gold. 3 minute sell. I already did it once. It's going to hook up. Did we already get the 1 minute? Yeah. I don't know if we're going to get there, but it probably what this is going to do on gold. Let me draw it out for you so there's no naysayers out there. Well, he didn't draw it. He didn't fucking put it in our mouth. It's going to come up, hook like this, hook and come back down. Play any 15-second, 30-second buy stop to the 30-second blue line. Then it's just going to, that's the hookup part. See it? And then play any 15-second. You're going to kill me on that. All right. 3 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. So you can play any of the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys because it's going to arch up, then hook and come back down. See the hook up? See the little up part right here? See the up part? 3 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. At least towards it. No, I think it's going to hit it actually, but whatever. Forming a 15-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Not down enough. This pink needs to come down with it. Buy stop, 15-minute, 1 hour gold. Yeah, 15-minute, 1 hour gold. That's all you need to know. I'll be trading SPX, US 30, and NAS with you as we go. Generally speaking, secret, woo, agent man, secret, 15-second, 30-second sell stop US 30 to the towards the 3 minute blue line. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stops to the 3 minute or towards the 3 minute blue line on US 30. After that, 15-minute buy stop to the 1 hour blue line of US 30. Yep, see it's farting around down over there. All right. Short-term sells, all three indices. Let me make sure I can call that with some authority. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me go to 15 seconds. Yeah, why not? And then longer term buys. If you don't like the sells, then fuck, go get with the buys. Buy. 15-minute buy, US 30. 15-minute buy, SPX. 15-minute buy, NAS. If you don't want to play those, then leave. All right. Anybody have any other call outs you want me to make? We have about 15 minutes, about 13 minutes to market open. I suspect a little pull down before then, and then we'll hook up. If we can get the pull down and then hook up, I'll be thrilled out of my mind. Specifically, SPX. I want this Right before market open, I want this to turn red. Can we get that to turn red, please, so we can have our... It did it already. It did red, green, red. But I don't like that. I want this one to turn red, too. And then we go for it. But I don't always get what I want. 15. All right. Any questions, comments, or concerns? My channel, I just got the results in from YouTube. 225,000 minute watched last month. Holy shit. Off of 57 new subscribers, 13,000 total views, 200. We were like, when we got funded in this account, it was so fast because we had such great, views. 225,000. 200. Let me forward this. 25,000 views. Are you kidding me? 225,000 minutes watched. That's insane. That is extremely good. I'm not bragging. I'm just telling you that's fucking psychotic. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It really, that's site for those kind. We have very few members, a few thousand members, but look at the fucking numbers. 225,000 minutes watched. We're probably a top. I don't know how YouTube follows that, but that's got it. We were 100 times better in minutes watched than they were asking us to be when we got our channel monetized. 225,000 minutes watched last month. This is from YouTube. Only 57 new subscribers. It's kind of low. We usually pull in about 100, 200. Then again, I wasn't doing a lot of lives. 13,000 views. 225,000 minutes watched. No, that's fantastic on anyone's metric. That's like 156 days. I know, right? Buying your system is like trading resurrection. Yay, John. I'm so happy for you. Thank God, thank Kevin Breeze. People get the system. Nice, Julius. I agree with Julius. You're tired when you yawn like that. I know I'm tired. I am, Raider Trader. We watch those videos over and over and over. Yes, you do, Steve. Thank God. Hey, Kev, regarding naming, what about crystal ball or fortune teller? That's not bad. The crystal ball, the fortune teller. Crystal ball, crystal ball. One of our names of one of our people, by the way. I like that. I'm not against that, either of those. Thank you. Appreciate that. Kent? Wait, who said those? Ken, not Kent. Ken. Thank you, Ken. But yeah, psychotic number for such a small, we have a very small subscriber base, 4,000 people. And out of that, there's only a few thousand are active. This is an insane number right here. Just by the system. Thank you, Don't Cast Stones. Can you imagine 220? Can you imagine if we had actual, like, 100,000 subscribers, we would have millions and millions of minutes watched. Oh shit. Okay, I got to go. I'll be right back. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Don't forget about those 15-minute buys. Hello. Okay. Damn. Forgot about payroll. The fence guys need stuff. Me and my brother going over to Outback later. Then we're going to head over to the arcade place. But I got to do payroll. Fuck. Okay. Good morning. How's it doing? Oh, yeah. The little buy stops are kicking ass. Good for you. Making some money on your buys on NAS. And there it is. Haha. It did it. Did it do it? Did it do it? Did it do it? That's red, isn't it? Hold on. Fuck. Yeah. I think that's red. I can't tell. Maybe not. Fuck. Maybe not. Close enough. You're in the money on your buys on all three indices that I called out for you. You're in the money on all three. Take that money and close out your trades. You're in the money on all three. You don't even have to go through open. Why do it? Why risk it? If you're going to go through open, lock in profit. All right. I got to do payroll, guys. So hang in there. What time is it? We got 8 minutes. Just by the system. Yes, it's red. Cleaning Junkie. Oh, yay. Thank you, Cleaning Junkie. Got some oil. Thank God. Nice, Adam. All right. Thank you, Cleaning Junkie. I'm going to take that as a win. Now I can call the buys. I don't think it's quite low enough, but we'll see. All right. Let me do payroll real quick. What's today's date? It is ending shit. What's today's date? So it's payroll ending 5/6, right? Is that right? No, 6. 6/6? Yeah, 6/6. 6/6 over here. I think it's 6/6. Over here, 12/1/07 for us. 12. Okay, and then it won't take me but a minute here. I just gotta fire this off to the accountant guy. Oh, nice accountant guy, but man, paying taxes is a fucking bitch. It's a whore. So much into you lose 41% off of your money in taxes. They're a bigger partner than me and Bree. The government is. Fuckers. Okay. I'm going to ask her if that looks right. How's that look, Precious? Does that look good? I think so. 6-6 and all that stuff over there. Anyway, love you. Boop, 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 boop. You're in the money on all those buys. Just keep looking at those things. I'll be right back. Well, I'm not going anywhere, but I mean, I got to get this filed on. Call it macaroni. La da 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 da. Call it macaroni. What is this? Payroll, the safety trade system 6/6/24. Hi guys. Here's payroll. Thank you all so much. They're real nice accounts, good people. Still no taxes. Have a great weekend, Kev and Bree. Da 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 da. Yankee Doodle went to town. Yankee Doodle dandy. Yankee Doodle, I attached it. Sending alpha. I think we sent. Let me make sure it went to them. Yep, did. Oh, look. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? 15-minute buy stop. Before market open, 4 minutes. Close down your fucking trade. SPX in the money. NAS in the money. US 30 in the money. Close your trades down, guys. Don't get fucking greedy here. Look at the money. Look at the money. I can do payroll and we can still make money. Look at that money. Who called these trades out for you? Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Look at that. 3 minutes to market open. We don't even need to play. Look at the blue line. Who said it was going to the 15-minute blue line? Everybody out there, you guys better be giving God thanks, the system thanks. Look at it go. Look at it go. Keith Palmer, thank you. Printing money, Keith says. Nice. Thank you, Keith, for speaking up. Germany, look at it go. Who called this out? I want everybody on TikTok and YouTube to say it. The guy gets all the credit. Who called this trade out live? Who called this? This is close enough. Close down your trades. Don't take any trades. You have to put in what? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Well, I missed that one. Oh, come on. Not right now. Yeah, look at it. That's it. Why are you even trading? Don't trade open. There you thank God, and then thank God. All of you here, how many are here? I'm going to leave. If I don't get fucking, I'm closing. I'm not trading the open. There's 59 of you here, 22 on TikTok. I better be sick. You better say thank God, or you say the system called this out. I better get a fucking shit ton or I'm closing it down. That's it. I'm closing it out. This is too incredible. There's your call out. There's your trade before market open to the 15-minute blue line. Who asked me? Someone asked me, why am I calling out US 30 is my best? There it is. There it is. There she blows. There you go. There you go. Taking profit, closing down the trades. I'm leaving my 2 trades in that I did the other 2 days ago. I'm leaving them open, and they're going to stay open as that runs up. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Poppy, poppity, poppy. Buy the system. Learn how to trade for once in your life. Go to thesafetytrade.com. $575 a year. We walk you through it. We give you the type form. You get live training with me every other Monday. You get live training with me. I teach you how to use the system myself. You have YouTube. You have Discord. You have Signals. Look at it. You go to thesafetytrade.com. I'm not even going to trade open. This is what I'm doing. There, blue line touch. Touchdown. There she goes. Who called the trade all morning long? Who fucking called the trade? Thank you, God. By the system. Thank you, God. The system is a repeat of the call yesterday. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There it is. US 30 to the blue line. As called out, EJ, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Annie Apple, Steve, Adam, Mr. C. There you go. There you go. There you fucking go. The system is too amazing. Look at it all. That's some good responses. 1,000 before market open, Larry. Keith, thank you, Keith Palmer, for the great coding. I don't give two fucks what happens now. I don't give two fucks. I don't care what happens. I'm not calling anything else. I'm not calling it. If you guys didn't take this trade to the blue line, I don't give it two fucks. I'm leaving. There you go. You're welcome. God bless. I'm going to head out of here. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great day. Love you all. YouTubers, have a great day. Buy the system. Learn how to trade for once in your life. Quit trying to do that stupid ass fucking shit. Support and resistance. Trend trading. Fibonacci retracements. Get out of fucking here. This is the way to trade. This is how you do it. This is what you do. This is what you do. This is what you fucking do. Tell everybody about it. Tell the fucking world how these call outs are made before it happens every fucking day for 2 years on TikTok, a year and a half on YouTube. There she blows. Take your fucking money and run, honey. Take your fucking money. Guess what's next, peeps? This is what's next. See it? Boom. I'm done. God bless you all. Have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Woo! If you guys can't get excited about this, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Look at it. Gotta go. Talk to y'all later. God bless. That was fucking fun. That was fucking fun. Oh my God. If they didn't make money on that shit, I don't know what the fuck more I can do for people.